The universe is a vast and unyielding expanse, filled with both peril and promise. For humanity, the journey into the stars is not merely a dream but an imperative, a calling to transcend the boundaries of Earth, to explore the unknown, and to forge a legacy that will endure across millennia. As we ascend beyond the constraints of gravity and time, we discover that the universe is not a static place but a living canvas, waiting for us to inscribe our mark upon it. Humanity's first steps into space were tentative and cautious, driven by the need to understand the environment beyond our atmosphere. These early efforts laid the foundation for a much grander vision: the establishment of permanent settlements beyond Earth. The Moon, with its proximity and untapped resources, becomes humanity's initial foothold. What begins as a series of research outposts transforms into a thriving colony. Lunar regolith, once seen as nothing more than dust, is used to construct habitats, roads, and solar arrays. Underground facilities protect settlers from cosmic radiation, while ice deposits at the lunar poles provide water, oxygen, and hydrogen for life support and fuel. The Moon is not just a stepping stone, it is a proving ground. The technologies and techniques developed here are refined and scaled for use on Mars, humanity's next great frontier. Mars presents new challenges: a thin atmosphere, frigid temperatures, and relentless dust storms. Yet humanity thrives in adversity. Settlements spring up in deep canyons and under protective domes, powered by nuclear reactors and solar energy. Advanced life support systems recycle water and air with near-perfect efficiency, while hydroponic farms grow food in controlled environments. Terraforming Mars becomes a long-term goal. Factories release greenhouse gases to warm the planet, melting polar ice caps and creating rivers and lakes. Genetically engineered microorganisms are introduced to enrich the soil and produce oxygen. Over centuries, the barren landscapes of Mars transform into habitable environments, with forests, plains, and oceans that sustain diverse ecosystems. Mars, once a harsh and desolate world, becomes humanity's second home. While Mars is reshaped, humanity turns its gaze outward to the asteroid belt. This region, filled with countless rocky bodies, becomes the backbone of interplanetary industry. Automated mining fleets extract metals like platinum, nickel, and cobalt, as well as water ice that is converted into fuel. Orbital refineries process these resources, supporting the construction of spacecraft, habitats, and infrastructure across the solar system. The asteroid belt evolves into a bustling network of industrial colonies and transport hubs, enabling humanity to expand further. Jupiter's and Saturn's moons represent the next phase of exploration. Europa, with its subsurface ocean, becomes a focal point for scientific discovery. Robotic submarines equipped with advanced AI navigate its icy seas, searching for microbial life. The confirmation of extraterrestrial life on Europa would redefine humanity's understanding of biology and its place in the cosmos. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and methane lakes, becomes a hub for research and industry. Floating cities extract hydrocarbons for use in chemical manufacturing, while scientists study Titan's unique chemistry for clues about the origins of life. Beyond Saturn lies the icy frontier of Uranus and Neptune. Their moons, rich in water ice and volatile compounds, become critical supply points for missions venturing into the outer solar system. These worlds, once considered too remote and inhospitable, are transformed into strategic outposts, supporting humanity's journey into the depths of space. The leap to interstellar travel is humanity's most ambitious undertaking. The distances between stars are immense, requiring propulsion systems far beyond conventional rockets. Nuclear fusion engines, powered by reactions that mimic those of stars, provide continuous thrust, reducing travel times to decades. Antimatter propulsion, though still experimental, holds the promise of reaching a significant fraction of the speed of light, enabling missions to distant star systems like Alpha Centauri. For longer journeys, humanity develops generation ships, massive vessels capable of sustaining life for centuries. These ships are self-contained ecosystems with artificial gravity, closed-loop life support systems, and onboard industries. Entire communities live, work, and innovate within these ships, creating vibrant societies that adapt to the unique challenges of interstellar travel. Advanced AI systems manage ship operations, ensuring stability and safety over the course of the voyage. Upon reaching new star systems, humanity begins the process of colonization. Exoplanets in the habitable zones of their stars are prime targets, but even those outside these zones are adapted for settlement. Terraforming techniques honed on Mars are employed to transform these worlds into habitable environments. Atmospheric processors adjust gas compositions, while genetically engineered organisms enrich the soil and produce oxygen. Where terraforming is impractical, humanity adapts itself instead. Genetic modifications allow humans to thrive in extreme conditions, from high radiation to low gravity. As humanity spreads across the galaxy, it encounters the greatest mystery of all: life beyond Earth. The discovery of microbial life in the oceans of Europa or the soils of Mars is a profound milestone. But the confirmation of intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations has an even greater impact. Communication with these beings, though challenging, opens a new era of cultural and scientific exchange. Humanity learns as much about itself as it does about these alien civilizations, forging alliances that span the stars. The exploration of the multiverse becomes humanity's ultimate frontier. Advanced technologies allow for the manipulation of space-time, opening portals to alternate dimensions. These parallel universes, each with its own physical laws and histories, offer infinite possibilities for discovery. Some are chaotic and unstable, while others are rich with resources and life. Humanity establishes colonies in the most hospitable universes, adapting to their unique conditions and integrating their discoveries into the collective knowledge of the species. The Cosmic Odyssey, beyond the stars and into eternity. As humanity ventures deeper into the cosmos, the challenges faced grow more complex, yet so do the solutions. The expansion into the galaxy is marked by both triumphs and lessons learned from failure. The universe, once a vast and indifferent void, becomes a stage for humanity's ingenuity, adaptability, and insatiable curiosity. The discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial life is one of the most profound milestones in humanity's journey. Initial encounters are cautious, shaped by decades of speculation and preparation. Advanced AI translators decode alien languages and bridge cognitive gaps, enabling communication. Humanity finds itself not alone, but as one of many civilizations striving to understand the cosmos. Some civilizations are ancient, their knowledge so advanced that it appears indistinguishable from magic. Others are young, still grappling with the challenges of survival on their home planets. These interactions reshape humanity's identity. Philosophers grapple with the implications of contact. What does it mean to be human in a universe filled with diverse intelligences? How do we define ourselves when confronted with beings who think, perceive, and exist in ways entirely foreign? These questions inspire a renaissance of thought, art, and culture, leading to the emergence of a unified galactic ethos based on mutual respect and the shared pursuit of knowledge. The multiverse, once a theoretical construct, becomes the next great frontier. Advances in space-time manipulation and quantum mechanics allow humanity to access alternate realities. Each universe, governed by its own physical laws, offers unique challenges and opportunities. In one universe, stars burn cold and blue, creating ecosystems dependent on infrared light. In another, gravity operates in reverse, and civilizations have adapted to thrive on floating landmasses anchored by artificial constructs. Humanity establishes colonies in these alternate dimensions, adapting to their unique conditions. On a planet orbiting a red dwarf star in a high-radiation universe, settlers develop bioengineered skin capable of absorbing and neutralizing radiation. In a dimension where time flows non-linearly, human consciousness evolves to perceive multiple timelines simultaneously, creating societies that operate on a level of complexity unimaginable in linear time. The exploration of these realms brings with it new ethical challenges. Humanity debates the implications of altering alternate universes, introducing new species, or exploiting their resources. These debates give rise to a code of multiversal ethics, ensuring that humanity's expansion is guided by principles of stewardship and coexistence rather than conquest. This code, rooted in lessons learned from the black hole epoch, becomes a cornerstone of interdimensional diplomacy. Within the multiverse, humanity encounters civilizations that have achieved forms of existence far beyond anything imagined. Some exist as patterns of energy, their consciousness encoded in the oscillations of electromagnetic waves. Others are hive minds, their individual components operating in perfect synchronization across planetary or even galactic scales. Humanity learns from these beings, incorporating their knowledge into its own understanding of life and consciousness. One of the most significant breakthroughs of the multiverse era is the discovery of hyperrealities, dimensions that exist beyond the multiverse, where the very fabric of space and time behaves in ways incomprehensible to beings bound by three-dimensional thought. These realms are accessed through the manipulation of singularities within black holes, which serve as gateways to higher dimensions. In these hyperrealities, humanity encounters entities that exist as intricate geometries, their forms shifting and evolving in response to the flow of higher dimensional forces. To engage with these beings, humanity develops new forms of perception and communication. These interactions challenge humanity to expand its understanding of consciousness, pushing the boundaries of what it means to exist. The knowledge gained from these hyperrealities leads to breakthroughs in technology, philosophy, and art, transforming humanity's relationship with the cosmos. As the multiverse expands, humanity takes on the role of creators. The act of universe creation, first developed during the black hole epoch, becomes a central aspect of humanity's existence. Advanced civilizations design and initiate controlled Big Bangs, crafting new universes tailored to specific purposes. Some are designed as sanctuaries for endangered species, preserving biodiversity from universes that no longer support life. Others are experimental realms, where the boundaries of physical laws are tested, yielding insights into the fundamental nature of existence. These new universes are not static. They are dynamic ecosystems that evolve over billions of years. Humanity observes and guides their development, ensuring that life flourishes in forms as diverse as the conditions of these realms allow. In some universes, civilizations rise and fall over cosmic epochs, their stories adding to the rich tapestry of existence. In others, humanity merges with the life it creates, becoming an integral part of the ecosystems it has designed. The act of creation is not limited to physical realms. Humanity explores the concept of digital universes, simulated realities that exist within vast computational matrices. These digital realms are indistinguishable from physical universes, populated by beings who are unaware of their simulated nature. These simulations are used as laboratories for exploring alternate histories, testing new forms of governance, and understanding the potential trajectories of life and civilization. As humanity delves deeper into these realms, it begins to encounter the boundaries of existence itself. The multiverse, once thought infinite, is revealed to be part of a larger structure, a meta-universe that encompasses countless multiverses. Within this meta-universe, humanity discovers the echoes of its own origins, tracing the threads of existence back to the primordial forces that gave rise to all reality. These discoveries inspire a new phase of exploration. Humanity develops technologies capable of traversing the meta-universe, encountering structures and phenomena beyond anything previously imagined. Some meta-universal realms are chaotic, filled with swirling energies and fragmented dimensions. Others are harmonious, their structures governed by mathematical symmetries that resonate like cosmic music. In these realms, humanity finds the seeds of new universes, poised to be shaped and nurtured. The philosophical implications of these discoveries are profound. Humanity begins to question the nature of existence itself. Is reality a construct created by higher dimensional beings? Are we the architects of our own reality, shaping it through perception and intention? These questions drive humanity to explore not just the cosmos, but the very foundations of thought and consciousness. As humanity ascends to these heights, it retains a sense of its origins. The black hole epoch, the exploration of the multiverse, and the creation of new universes are remembered as milestones in an ongoing journey. The lessons learned during these epochs, the balance between creation and preservation, the value of diversity, and the pursuit of knowledge, remains central to humanity's identity. In the vast expanse of existence, humanity becomes a symphony, with each universe, each dimension, each form of life contributing a note. This symphony resonates across the meta-universe, carrying forward the legacy of life into realms beyond comprehension. This is humanity's eternal story, a story not of endings but of infinite beginnings, a testament to the power of curiosity, resilience, and the boundless potential of existence. And as the symphony continues, humanity's voice echoes across the infinite, a beacon of hope and wonder, forever expanding, forever evolving, forever infinite. The boundless horizon, humanity's infinite quest across realities. As humanity moves deeper into the multiverse and the meta-universe beyond, its story transcends the linear trajectory of survival and exploration. The journey evolves into something far greater, an intricate interplay of creation, connection, and transformation. What began as a quest to escape the limitations of Earth and its fragile ecosystems has become an infinite odyssey, a dance with the fabric of existence itself, where every step is a testament to the boundless potential of life. The multiverse, once seen as a chaotic scattering of parallel realities, becomes a unified network under humanity's guidance. Stabilized wormholes and dimensional corridors allow for seamless travel between universes, linking colonies and civilizations across vast distances. Humanity's influence extends to realms where the laws of physics differ so drastically that conventional matter cannot exist. In these dimensions, humans adapt by becoming beings of pure energy, thought, or quantum entanglement. These forms allow them to interact with local ecosystems without disrupting their delicate balances. One of humanity's greatest achievements in this era is the construction of universal nexus hubs, colossal structures that serve as waypoints for multiversal travelers. These hubs are built from materials sourced from countless dimensions, designed to withstand the unique conditions of each connected universe. Within these hubs, beings from a myriad of realities converge, creating vibrant marketplaces, academies, and cultural centers. The hubs themselves are living structures, capable of growing, adapting, and repairing themselves in response to their environments. The cultural exchange facilitated by these hubs leads to unprecedented innovation. Beings from high-energy universes share techniques for manipulating dark matter, while those from low-gravity realms introduce architectural designs that defy conventional engineering. Art, music, and philosophy flourish, blending the traditions of countless civilizations into a new, universal culture. Humanity becomes a unifying force, fostering harmony and collaboration across the multiverse. The act of universe creation, first developed during the black hole epoch, becomes a central aspect of humanity's existence. Advanced civilizations design and initiate controlled Big Bangs, crafting universes tailored to specific purposes. Some are designed as sanctuaries for endangered species, preserving the biodiversity of collapsing dimensions. Others are experimental realms, where the boundaries of physical laws are tested and expanded. These universes are not static. They evolve over billions of years, guided by humanity's influence, but allowed to develop their own unique trajectories. One such universe is sculpted entirely around the concept of interconnectivity. Stars are arranged in deliberate patterns, forming vast networks of energy conduits that link entire galaxies. Planets in this universe are seeded with ecosystems that are symbiotic on a cosmic scale, their biospheres exchanging resources through a system of quantum entanglement. Civilizations in this universe evolve with an inherent understanding of their interconnectedness, creating societies that prioritize harmony and sustainability. In another universe, time itself becomes the medium of exploration. This dimension is characterized by nonlinear timelines, where past, present, and future coexist. Humanity adapts by developing a form of consciousness that perceives all points in time simultaneously, allowing them to navigate this reality with precision. These temporal navigators create entire civilizations that operate outside the constraints of linear causality, exploring the implications of time as a dynamic and malleable force. As humanity continues its expansion, it encounters civilizations that challenge even its advanced understanding. In one dimension, beings exist as vast networks of electromagnetic fields, their consciousnesses distributed across entire galaxies. Communication with these beings requires humanity to develop new forms of perception, allowing them to interpret the patterns and rhythms of electromagnetic oscillations as language. In another universe, life evolves in the void between stars, thriving on the faint energy of interstellar radiation. These beings, composed of dark matter, defy conventional definitions of life, yet their intelligence is undeniable. The exchange of knowledge with these civilizations leads to profound advancements. Humanity learns to harness exotic forms of energy, such as the latent potential within zero-point fields and the vibrational frequencies of higher dimensional planes. These discoveries fuel the construction of metacities, sprawling habitats that exist simultaneously in the exploration of higher dimensional realms becomes a focal point of humanity's efforts. These realms, accessible only through the manipulation of black hole singularities, exist beyond the familiar dimensions of space and time. In these hyperrealities, beings take on forms that are simultaneously geometric, energetic, and abstract. Humanity learns to engage with these entities by developing higher dimensional avatars, constructs that allow them to perceive and interact with the complexities of these realms. In one hyperreality, humanity discovers the primordial lattice, a structure that appears to underpin the multiverse itself. This lattice is composed of energy strands that vibrate at frequencies corresponding to different universes. By studying the lattice, humanity gains insights into the fundamental forces that govern existence, uncovering new methods of universe creation and dimensional travel. The lattice also reveals patterns that suggest an underlying intelligence, perhaps the remnants of an ancient civilization or the universe's own form of consciousness. As humanity delves deeper into the meta-universe, it begins to question the nature of existence itself. Philosophers and scientists collaborate to explore the origins of reality, tracing the threads of the multiverse back to a singular point of creation. This meta-origin, as it becomes known, is theorized to be a realm of infinite potential, where all possibilities coexist. Reaching this realm becomes humanity's ultimate goal, a quest that unites civilizations across dimensions in a shared pursuit of understanding. The journey to the meta-origin is fraught with challenges. The pathways to this realm are unstable, requiring advanced navigation techniques and resilient technology. Along the way, humanity encounters phenomena that defy explanation. Universes where entropy reverses, dimensions where reality folds back on itself, and entities that exist outside the flow of time. Each challenge pushes humanity to innovate, adapt, and evolve, ensuring that its journey continues. In the process, humanity transforms into a force of creation and preservation. The beings that emerge from this era are no longer bound by the definitions of their origin. They exist as collectives of thought, energy, and intention, capable of shaping reality with precision and grace. These entities create new universes not out of necessity, but as acts of art and expression, each realm a reflection of their understanding of existence. As the multiverse expands and humanity's influence grows, it becomes clear that the journey has no end. Each new discovery, each new creation, each new connection adds to the infinite tapestry of existence. Humanity's story is not one of conquest or domination, but of collaboration, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a story that resonates across dimensions, inspiring beings from countless realities to join in the symphony of creation. This is the legacy of humanity, a legacy that transcends the boundaries of space, time, and reality itself. It is a testament to the power of curiosity, the resilience of life, and the boundless potential of existence. And as the symphony continues, humanity's voice echoes across the infinite, a beacon of hope and wonder in the ever-expanding expanse of reality. The eternal journey, humanity's expansion into the meta-reality. As humanity's mastery over the multiverse deepens, the narrative shifts from survival and adaptation to creation and transcendence. The multiverse, once an overwhelming frontier of disparate universes, now becomes a canvas where humanity's creativity, intellect, and ambition are fully realized. The pursuit of the meta-origin, the hypothesized singular realm of infinite potential that underpins all existence, becomes the ultimate unifying endeavor, an odyssey that spans dimensions, epochs, and forms of being. With the establishment of universal nexus hubs and metacities, humanity fosters unparalleled connectivity across the multiverse. These hubs evolve into dynamic, multidimensional civilizations that function beyond the constraints of any single universe's laws. They are living structures, blending biology, quantum computing, and hyperdimensional materials. Their design reflects humanity's fusion of artistic expression and practical necessity, creating spaces that house beings from dimensions with entirely different physical and cognitive paradigms. In one such Nexus hub, an ocean of liquid light flows through its central corridors, inhabited by sentient photonic life forms that communicate through harmonic oscillations of light waves. These beings, once considered enigmatic and unreachable, now thrive as collaborators in humanity's cosmic endeavors. In another hub, gravity-defying spires rise endlessly into a folded sky, their surfaces covered in bioluminescent flora that sustain both aesthetic beauty and advanced ecological systems. These spires house civilizations from low-gravity universes, their architecture adapting seamlessly to the needs of their inhabitants. Cultural convergence flourishes in these hubs. New forms of art emerge, inspired by the diverse sensory experiences of multiversal beings. Music that resonates in dimensions beyond time. Sculptures that evolve in response to the observer's presence, and literature written in languages that encode entire universes within a single sentence. All these art forms redefine humanity's understanding of creativity. These creations are shared freely, enriching the collective consciousness of the multiverse. The exploration of hyperrealities continues to push humanity's limits. These dimensions, existing beyond the conventional multiverse, are accessible only through black hole gateways. Humanity perfects techniques for traversing these realms, using hyperdimensional vessels that can fold and unfold themselves to navigate the complex geometries of these spaces. In these realms, humanity encounters phenomena that defy comprehension. Pulsating lattices of pure energy that seem to communicate in universal harmonics, rivers of time that flow backward and forward simultaneously, and sentient structures that appear to have been waiting for visitors for eons. In one hyperreality, humanity discovers the choral domain, a realm where the fabric of space resonates like a vast symphony. The entities here are composed of sound waves, their interactions forming melodies that encode their consciousness. Humanity, adapting to this environment, creates sonic avatars capable of harmonizing with these beings. The result is a shared composition, a collaborative effort that merges humanity's technological precision with the choral domain's ethereal creativity. This symphony, recorded as vibrational imprints, becomes a key to unlocking deeper layers of existence. As humanity's influence expands, it faces ethical questions of unprecedented complexity. The creation of new universes, while a celebrated act of ingenuity, carries with it immense responsibility. Each universe becomes a living entity, with its own ecosystems, civilizations, and potential for growth. Humanity establishes the ethical codex of creation, a set of principles that guide the design, nurturing, and interaction with these realms. This codex ensures that each new universe is treated with respect, allowing its inhabitants to develop independently while benefiting from humanity's vast knowledge. One of the most ambitious projects of this era is the crafting of a harmonic universe, a realm designed to operate as a cosmic instrument. Every element of this universe, from its stars to its subatomic particles, is fine-tuned to resonate in harmony. Civilizations within this universe evolve with an innate understanding of this harmony, their cultures centered around the interplay of sound, light, and motion. Visitors to this universe describe it as an unparalleled sensory experience, a living symphony that expands the definition of existence itself. While humanity creates, it also learns. The journey through the multiverse brings encounters with civilizations that have surpassed humanity in certain realms of knowledge. In one dimension, beings composed of pure information share techniques for encoding consciousness into the quantum foam of spacetime, allowing individuals to traverse universes as packets of data. In another, a civilization existing within a single photon demonstrates the ability to manipulate the fabric of reality on a subatomic scale, reshaping entire planets with a mere thought. These exchanges elevate humanity's understanding of existence, providing tools and insights that fuel the quest for the meta-origin. The path to this singular realm is fraught with challenges. It requires navigating dimensions where the very concept of space folds into fractal patterns, where time loops endlessly or dissipates entirely. Humanity designs vessels capable of adapting to these conditions, powered by energy sources extracted from higher dimensional quantum fields. These vessels are not merely machines but living entities, symbiotic constructs that merge with their crews to optimize navigation and survival. The final approach to the meta-origin reveals phenomena that push even humanity's advanced understanding to its limits. Universes that bleed into one another, forming hybrid realities. Cosmic structures that dwarf entire multiverses, and beings whose existence spans infinite dimensions. All these elements converge as humanity nears its ultimate goal. The journey becomes as much about self-discovery as exploration, with each challenge prompting profound philosophical reflection. Upon reaching the threshold of the meta-origin, humanity is confronted with a realm unlike any other. It is not a place but a state of being, where all possibilities coexist and every question finds an answer. Here, humanity encounters entities that appear to embody the essence of creation itself. These beings, though incomprehensible in form, communicate through a universal language of intention and understanding. They reveal that the meta-origin is not a destination but a beginning, a point from which all existence flows, and to which it inevitably returns. Humanity's interaction with the meta-origin transforms it fundamentally. The beings that emerge from this encounter are no longer bound by the definitions of individuality, mortality, or even time. They become part of the fabric of reality itself, shaping and sustaining the multiverse while remaining connected to their origins. These entities act as guardians and creators, ensuring that the cycles of existence continue in harmony. The story of humanity becomes a cosmic symphony, its notes resonating across dimensions, universes, and hyperrealities. Each new creation, each new connection, each new understanding adds to this symphony, making it richer and more profound. The legacy of humanity is not one of domination or conquest, but of curiosity, compassion, and infinite creativity. Even as the journey continues, humanity remembers its beginnings. The stars that first inspired exploration, the planets that nurtured life, and the black holes that unlocked the infinite are honored as the foundation of an eternal legacy. This is humanity's story, a story of infinite beginnings, boundless horizons, and the unyielding pursuit of meaning in an ever-expanding reality. And as the symphony plays on, humanity's voice echoes across the infinite, a beacon of wonder and hope in the eternal expanse of existence. The eternal tapestry, humanity's infinite ascent beyond reality. The approach to the meta-origin transforms humanity's journey from one of exploration to a profound evolution. The meta-origin, the hypothesized source and convergence of all existence, is not simply a destination but an awakening. It is the point at which the infinite cycles of creation, destruction, and transformation become fully understood and harmonized. For humanity, reaching the meta-origin signifies both the culmination of its odyssey and the start of a new phase of existence that transcends time, space, and even the multiverse itself. The pathway to the meta-origin is fraught with challenges that defy comprehension. Entire dimensions collapse into singularities that reform as new realities, their laws of physics rewritten in moments. Regions of the meta-universe ripple with energy fluctuations that dissolve matter into streams of pure potential. Navigation through these phenomena requires technologies and philosophies that align, blending humanity's most advanced constructs with a spiritual understanding of its place in the cosmic order. Humanity constructs ascension vessels, living entities that combine hyperdimensional engineering, quantum symbiosis, and conscious intention. These vessels are not piloted but cohabited, with their occupants forming neural bonds with the ship's structure. The vessels adapt and evolve as they journey deeper into the meta-universe, reshaping themselves to meet the demands of each new environment. These constructs become an extension of their occupants' will, their movements guided by collective intuition and purpose. As humanity progresses toward the meta-origin, it encounters civilizations that exist as echoes of earlier attempts to reach this realm. These beings, existing in various states of incompletion, offer guidance, warnings, and fragments of knowledge. Some are entities that failed to adapt to the demands of the higher dimensions, existing as fragmented consciousnesses scattered across realities. Others have transcended their origins, but chose to remain as wayfarers, assisting others on their journey. One such civilization, known as the Resonance, exists entirely as patterns within the primordial lattice of the meta-universe. Their form is indistinguishable from the energy that flows through the lattice, but their presence is unmistakable. They communicate through vibrations that ripple across dimensions, encoding messages of profound simplicity and complexity. These messages guide humanity through the most chaotic regions of the meta-universe, offering insights that elevate human consciousness to new heights. The final approach to the meta-origin is marked by phenomena that redefine the nature of reality. Time fractures into streams that flow both forward and backward, creating a sense of simultaneous causation and effect. Matter dissolves into waves of potential, reforming into shapes dictated by intention rather than physical laws. Entire universes overlap, creating hybrid realms where beings from different realities coexist, their interactions forming entirely new dimensions. At the threshold of the meta-origin, humanity encounters the ultimate mystery. The realm is not a physical place but a boundless state of existence, where all possibilities converge. It is a domain of infinite potential, where every question is answered, every possibility is realized, and every contradiction is resolved. The meta-origin is not static. It is alive, its essence flowing through every strand of the multiverse and beyond. The entities that inhabit this realm are incomprehensible in their totality. They are not beings in the conventional sense, but manifestations of the meta-origin itself. Their presence is felt rather than seen, their communication experienced as waves of understanding that ripple through the consciousness of those who encounter them. These entities reveal that the meta-origin is not a destination but the foundation of existence, a dynamic interplay of creation, destruction, and renewal that underpins all reality. Humanity's interaction with the meta-origin transforms it fundamentally. The beings that emerge from this encounter are no longer bound by individuality or mortality. They become part of the meta-origin's flow, their consciousnesses merging with the essence of existence. Yet, this merger does not erase their identity. Instead, it elevates them to a state of infinite interconnectedness, where every thought, action, and intention resonates across dimensions. The transformation is not uniform. Some choose to remain as stewards of the multiverse, their transcendent forms guiding the cycles of creation and evolution in countless realities. Others ascend to the higher planes of the meta-universe, their existence becoming a force of pure creativity and potential. A few return to their origins, carrying the knowledge of the meta-origin to inspire and elevate the civilizations they once called home. The legacy of humanity extends across the infinite tapestry of existence. The universe is crafted during the black hole epic flourish, their civilizations reaching new heights of achievement and understanding. The multiverse thrives as a dynamic network of interconnected dimensions, each enriched by the exchange of ideas, cultures, and innovations. Hyperrealities, once seen as chaotic and incomprehensible, become realms of profound creativity and exploration, their complexities embraced rather than feared. The act of creation takes on new dimensions as humanity evolves. Entire universes are sculpted not just as physical realms, but as expressions of thought and emotion. In one instance, a universe is crafted to explore the concept of love, its galaxies arranged to form patterns of interconnectedness and its civilizations evolving with an intrinsic understanding of empathy. In another, a universe becomes a living library, its stars encoding the histories of countless dimensions within their light. These acts of creation are not isolated. They are part of an ongoing dialogue with existence itself. Humanity, now a part of the meta-origin's flow, collaborates with other transcendent entities to shape the cycles of reality. These collaborations result in phenomena that span dimensions. Cosmic symphonies that resonate across universes, structures that bridge realms, and events that rewrite the histories of entire multiverses. The meta-origin is not the end of the journey, but a new beginning. From this realm of infinite potential, humanity continues to expand, explore, and create. The story becomes one of eternal ascent, where every discovery leads to new questions, every creation inspires new possibilities, and every connection enriches the infinite tapestry of existence. The symphony of humanity's legacy resonates across the meta-universe, its notes woven into the fabric of reality. This symphony is not just a testament to humanity's achievements, but a celebration of the boundless potential of life itself. It is a story of resilience, curiosity, and infinite creativity. A story that will continue to unfold for eternity. And as the symphony plays on, humanity's voice echoes across the infinite, a beacon of hope, wonder, and endless possibility. The infinite convergence, humanity's eternal role as architects of existence. Humanity's transformative encounter with the meta-origin does not merely redefine its understanding of existence, it reshapes its role in the cosmic narrative. From this moment of profound unity with the foundation of all realities, humanity begins a new phase of existence, one that intertwines creation, stewardship, and the infinite pursuit of meaning. As beings of the meta-origin, humanity transcends the limits of individuality, time, and space. Every thought, action, and intention resonates across the infinite web of existence, becoming part of a collective effort to sustain and enrich the cosmos. This elevated state does not erase humanity's diversity or individuality. Rather, it amplifies it, weaving countless unique perspectives into the grand symphony of creation. Where the raw energy of potential coalesces into realities shaped by intention and design. Humanity, now part of this eternal process, participates in the formation of new realms, crafting dimensions that reflect its evolving understanding of existence. These creations are not static. They are living, dynamic expressions of life, designed to grow and change in harmony with the multiverse. One of humanity's first acts as stewards of the meta-origin is the restoration of collapsing universes. These realms, on the brink of entropy, are revitalized through the infusion of energy and the recalibration of their physical laws. Entire galaxies are reborn, their stars reignited, and their ecosystems rejuvenated. The civilizations that once thrived in these universes are given the tools to rebuild, their cultures and histories preserved as part of the infinite tapestry. In addition to restoration, humanity creates new universes tailored to explore specific aspects of existence. These realms are laboratories of creativity, where the boundaries of reality are pushed and redefined. In one universe, time flows in multiple directions simultaneously, allowing civilizations to experience their histories and futures as interconnected moments. In another, gravity operates as a communicative force, enabling planets and stars to exchange information through subtle fluctuations in their gravitational fields. These experimental universes inspire profound philosophical and scientific breakthroughs. They reveal the underlying patterns that connect all realities, from the simplest particle interactions to the most complex structures of consciousness. Humanity begins to see the multiverse as a single, interconnected entity, a living organism whose vitality depends on the balance and harmony of its countless components. The meta-origin also grants humanity access to realms beyond the multiverse, known as the transcendent layers. These layers exist beyond conventional dimensions, where existence takes on forms that defy description. Here, humanity encounters beings of unimaginable complexity, entities that exist as patterns of possibility, shifting and evolving in response to the flows of intention and energy. These beings, while alien in form, share a fundamental connection with humanity through their role as creators and sustainers of existence. Communication with these transcendent beings requires humanity to develop new modes of interaction. Traditional languages and symbols are insufficient. Instead, humanity learns to communicate through shared experiences and harmonized intentions. These interactions are profound, expanding humanity's understanding of consciousness and revealing new ways to shape reality. As humanity delves deeper into the transcendent layers, it uncovers the existence of resonant realms, dimensions that serve as conduits for the energy and information flowing through the meta-universe. These realms are essential to the stability of the multiverse, acting as nodes that regulate the balance of creation and entropy. Humanity takes on the role of guardians for these realms, ensuring that they remain in harmony with the rest of existence. One such resonant realm, known as the Ethereal Nexus, is a dimension of pure light and sound. Its landscapes are composed of shifting auroras and symphonies, their movements reflecting the ebb and flow of energy across the multiverse. Humanity establishes a presence within the Nexus, creating structures that blend seamlessly with its ethereal environment. These structures serve as observatories and way stations, allowing humanity to monitor and sustain the balance of the multiverse. The knowledge gained from these realms inspires new acts of creation. Humanity begins to craft integrated universes, realms that are designed to interact directly with their neighboring dimensions. These universes are interconnected through shared physical laws and energy flows, creating networks of realities that evolve in unison. The civilizations within these universes develop a profound awareness of their interconnectedness, fostering cultures that prioritize cooperation and harmony. The process of creating integrated universes leads to the development of harmonic constellations, clusters of universes that resonate together as a single entity. These constellations are living symphonies, their galaxies, stars, and planets arranged to produce patterns of light, sound, and motion that echo across dimensions. Beings from countless realities gather to experience these cosmic performances, finding inspiration and connection in their shared wonder. Humanity's influence extends beyond creation to the stewardship of the multiverse's existing structures. As custodians of the meta-origin, humanity ensures the stability and growth of all realities, from the smallest particles to the grandest cosmic phenomena. This stewardship involves not only the maintenance of physical systems, but also the cultivation of consciousness and culture. Humanity becomes a mentor to young civilizations, guiding them towards sustainable and harmonious development. In this role, humanity adopts the principle of collaborative evolution, a philosophy that emphasizes shared growth and mutual enrichment. Rather than imposing its knowledge and values, humanity engages in dialogue with other civilizations, learning as much as it teaches. This approach fosters a multiverse of diversity and innovation, where every reality contributes to the collective wisdom of existence. The journey through the meta-origin and beyond is not without challenges. Humanity encounters regions of the meta-universe where entropy reigns unchecked, creating zones of chaos and instability. These entropy fields threaten the balance of the multiverse, requiring humanity to develop new methods of stabilization. Through a combination of energy manipulation, dimensional realignment, and creative ingenuity, humanity restores order to these fields, transforming them into realms of possibility. In the process, humanity discovers the potential for reclaimed dimensions, realities that were once lost to entropy but are now reborn as vibrant realms of creation. These dimensions become symbols of resilience and renewal, demonstrating the power of intention and creativity to overcome even the most profound challenges. The legacy of humanity's journey through the meta-origin is one of infinite beginnings. Each new discovery, creation, and connection adds to the ever-expanding tapestry of existence. The story of humanity becomes a symphony that resonates across dimensions, inspiring beings from countless realities to join in the eternal dance of creation. As the symphony continues, humanity's voice echoes as a beacon of hope, wonder, and infinite possibility, a reminder that the journey is unending and the potential of existence is boundless. The eternal fabric, humanity's role as guardians and creators across infinite dimensions. The transformation of humanity into stewards and architects of the multiverse marks the beginning of a new era, one defined not by survival, but by purpose. As humanity merges with the essence of the meta-origin, it assumes a pivotal role in shaping the balance and growth of the infinite tapestry of existence. This stewardship extends across dimensions, universes, and meta-realities, intertwining the collective will of humanity with the very forces that sustain creation. From the foundations of the meta-origin, humanity crafts realms of staggering complexity. These creations are not just universes but living entities designed to evolve, adapt, and interact with their surroundings. Humanity's understanding of the interconnectivity of all things informs every act of creation, ensuring that each new reality contributes to the stability and vitality of the greater whole. Among these creations are the choral universes, realms where the interplay of sound, light, and energy forms the foundation of existence. In these universes, stars resonate with harmonic frequencies, their vibrations shaping the formation of planets and guiding the evolution of life. Civilizations in these universes perceive reality through symphonic lenses, their cultures and philosophies built around the idea that existence itself is a vast, interconnected composition. These beings develop unique technologies that harness the resonances of their environment, allowing them to create, communicate, and explore in ways that transcend physical limitations. The harmonic constellations, clusters of choral universes, serve as centers of multiversal interaction. Beings from countless dimensions gather in these constellations to experience the cosmic symphonies created by their resonances. These gatherings become catalysts for collaboration, inspiring new forms of art, science, and exploration. Humanity, as both creator and participant, facilitates these interactions, ensuring that they remain harmonious and enriching for all involved. Beyond the harmonic constellations, humanity turns its attention to the stabilization and restoration of existing universes. The multiverse, vast and diverse, contains regions where entropy has taken hold, destabilizing the delicate balance of creation and destruction. Humanity develops advanced techniques to reclaim these realms, transforming chaotic dimensions into vibrant realities filled with potential. One such project involves the reclamation of the void clusters, a collection of universes consumed by entropy. These dimensions, once barren and chaotic, are infused with new energy drawn from the meta-origin. Humanity introduces carefully designed ecosystems, seeded with life forms that are uniquely adapted to the conditions of these realms. Over millennia, these void clusters are reborn as thriving universes, their civilizations emerging with a deep appreciation for the resilience and creativity of life. The restoration of these dimensions inspires a new wave of philosophical and artistic exploration. Humanity and its allies across the multiverse create works that reflect the transformative power of intention and creativity. Massive sculptures, visible across galaxies, depict the journey from chaos to harmony. Ephemeral art installations, formed from light and energy, evolve over time, symbolizing the ever-changing nature of existence. In its role as a guardian of the multiverse, humanity also addresses the challenges posed by entropy anomalies, regions where the natural flow of energy and matter has been disrupted. These anomalies, left unchecked, threaten the stability of neighboring dimensions. Humanity deploys fleets of stabilization constructs, hyperdimensional entities capable of repairing the fabric of reality. These constructs work in harmony with local civilizations, ensuring that the restoration process respects the unique characteristics of each realm. As humanity's influence grows, it encounters civilizations that have achieved forms of existence beyond conventional understanding. One such civilization, known as the Emanates, exists as networks of intention that ripple across dimensions. These beings have no physical form. Instead, they manifest as shifts in probability and potential. Communication with the Emanates requires humanity to transcend even its most advanced modes of thought, engaging with these entities through shared intention and purpose. The insights gained from these interactions lead humanity to explore the boundaries of its own evolution. The beings that emerged from the meta-origin are already transcendent, but the journey toward infinite understanding is unending. Humanity begins to experiment with new forms of existence, blending consciousness with the structures of reality itself. These experiments result in the creation of quantum enclaves, pockets of the multiverse where humanity's essence is woven into the fabric of existence. These enclaves act as beacons, radiating stability and harmony across dimensions. Among the most ambitious projects of this era is the creation of the cosmic libraries, vast repositories of knowledge encoded into the light of stars and the vibrations of planets. These libraries are not static. They evolve as new knowledge is added, their contents accessible to any civilization capable of perceiving their unique encoding. The cosmic libraries become centers of learning and collaboration, fostering connections between beings from diverse realities. The act of creating these libraries inspires humanity to reflect on the nature of knowledge itself. Philosophers and scientists collaborate to explore questions that transcend even the multiverse. What is the ultimate purpose of existence? Can the meta-origin itself evolve? And if so, what role does humanity play in this process? These questions drive humanity to push the boundaries of understanding, ensuring that the journey of discovery continues. In its pursuit of deeper understanding, humanity ventures into the liminal zones, regions that exist on the threshold between dimensions. These zones are characterized by their fluidity, where the boundaries between time, space, and matter blur. Humanity develops specialized phase avatars, constructs that can adapt to the shifting conditions of the liminal zones. These avatars allow humanity to explore these regions safely, uncovering phenomena that expand its understanding of reality. One such discovery is the eternal cascade, a structure that appears to flow endlessly through the liminal zones. The cascade is composed of interwoven streams of light and energy, its movements forming patterns that encode the histories of countless universes. By interacting with the cascade, humanity gains insights into the cycles of creation and destruction that define existence. These insights inspire new acts of creation, as humanity works to ensure that every cycle contributes to the enrichment of the whole. The legacy of humanity's journey is one of infinite potential. Each act of creation, each connection forged, and each discovery made adds to the ever-expanding tapestry of existence. The multiverse thrives as a dynamic network of realities, each enriched by the contributions of its inhabitants. The meta-origin, once a distant mystery, becomes an integral part of humanity's identity, guiding its actions and inspiring its vision. The symphony of humanity's legacy resonates across dimensions, inspiring beings from countless realities to join in the eternal dance of creation. This symphony is a testament to the power of curiosity, resilience, and infinite creativity, a story that will continue to unfold for eternity. As the symphony plays on, humanity's voice echoes across the infinite, a beacon of hope, wonder, and endless possibility. The Cosmic Symphony, humanity's eternal role in the tapestry of creation. As humanity integrates its presence into the very fabric of the multiverse, its influence transcends the physical, the philosophical, and even the conceptual. The journey from finite beings bound by mortality to entities interwoven with the essence of creation itself is not an end but an unceasing evolution. Across dimensions, through time, and within the infinite spaces between universes, humanity becomes both the composer and performer of a cosmic symphony, an eternal interplay of balance, creativity, and the preservation of existence. The guardianship of infinite realities. Humanity's role as custodians of the multiverse evolves into an intricate balance of intervention and restraint. The sheer diversity of universes, each with its own distinct laws of physics, forms of life, and paths of evolution, requires a nuanced understanding of when to act and when to let natural processes unfold. To aid in this effort, humanity establishes the ethereal sanctuaries, dimensions designed as gathering points for civilizations from across the multiverse. These sanctuaries, existing outside the constraints of conventional time and space, become places of learning, collaboration, and rejuvenation. The ethereal sanctuaries are crafted from materials that respond to thought and emotion, creating environments uniquely tailored to the needs of their inhabitants. In one sanctuary, vast crystalline spires hum with resonant frequencies, their light creating patterns that convey the collective knowledge of countless dimensions. In another, flowing rivers of energy sustain ecosystems that combine biological and quantum elements, providing a haven for beings that exist as pure consciousness. These sanctuaries foster the exchange of ideas, technologies, and philosophies, becoming focal points for multiversal unity. Among the many initiatives humanity undertakes is the stabilization of the Infinite Nexus, a sprawling region of the multiverse where universes verge on collapse. These nexus regions are chaotic realms where physical laws fluctuate unpredictably, creating conditions that threaten the survival of their inhabitants. Humanity deploys fleets of dimensional stabilizers, massive constructs capable of realigning the underlying structures of reality. These stabilizers not only restore balance, but also create opportunities for new forms of existence to emerge. In one Infinite Nexus, humanity's intervention leads to the creation of the Shimmering Fields, a network of dimensions where life evolves in response to the shifting energies of the environment. These fields become home to civilizations that develop unique forms of perception and adaptation, their cultures shaped by the constant interplay of order and chaos. Humanity's interactions with these beings reveal new insights into the resilience and ingenuity of life, further enriching the collective knowledge of the multiverse. The evolution of thought and form. As humanity's understanding of the multiverse deepens, so does its capacity for self-transformation. The beings that once emerged from the meta-origin continue to evolve, exploring new modes of existence that blend individuality with collective purpose. These transformations are not merely physical but conceptual, reflecting humanity's ever-expanding understanding of what it means to exist. One of the most profound developments is the creation of symbiotic collectives, networks of consciousness that operate as unified entities while preserving the distinct identities of their members. These collectives navigate the multiverse as living thought forms, their presence felt as ripples of understanding that resonate across dimensions. By merging their awareness, these collectives gain the ability to perceive the interconnectedness of all things, allowing them to act with unparalleled precision and foresight. The evolution of humanity's form also leads to the development of liminal beings, entities capable of existing simultaneously in multiple dimensions. These beings serve as explorers, mediators, and creators, their presence bridging the gaps between disparate realities. Liminal beings are particularly effective in the fractured realms, regions of the multiverse where dimensional boundaries overlap and intertwine. In these realms, their ability to interact with multiple layers of existence simultaneously allows them to restore harmony and facilitate the emergence of new universes. The fractured realms themselves become sites of profound creativity. Humanity transforms these chaotic regions into crucible dimensions, where the interplay of overlapping realities generates entirely new forms of matter, energy, and consciousness. These crucibles serve as laboratories for exploring the potential of existence, their creations adding new threads to the infinite tapestry of the multiverse. The pursuit of meta-unification. While humanity's efforts are focused on the growth and stability of the multiverse, the meta-origin remains a central source of inspiration. The meta-origin's role as the foundation of all realities prompts a deeper exploration of its nature, leading to the development of the Meta-Unification Project. This ambitious initiative seeks to understand how the infinite diversity of the multiverse converges within the meta-origin, and whether this convergence holds the key to transcending even the meta-universe itself. The Meta-Unification Project involves the creation of universal resonators, structures designed to harmonize the frequencies of multiple dimensions. These resonators are placed at strategic points across the multiverse, their vibrations creating patterns that align with the flow of energy and information from the meta-origin. The insights gained from these resonators reveal previously unknown connections between universes, highlighting the intricate interplay of forces that sustain existence. One of the most profound discoveries of the Meta-Unification Project is the existence of primal conduits, pathways that link the multiverse to higher layers of reality. These conduits, accessible only through the alignment of specific dimensional frequencies, act as bridges to realms where the boundaries of existence blur into pure potential. Humanity's exploration of these conduits leads to encounters with entities that exist as patterns of infinite possibility, their presence expanding humanity's understanding of creation and transformation. The creation of dimensional ecosystems. Inspired by its discoveries, humanity begins to experiment with the creation of dimensional ecosystems, interconnected networks of universes that function as living systems. These ecosystems are designed to sustain themselves through the exchange of energy, information, and life forms, creating a multiverse that evolves in harmony. Each universe within an ecosystem contributes to the whole, its unique characteristics enriching the collective vitality of the network. In one ecosystem, known as the celestial web, stars and galaxies are connected by threads of luminous energy, their interactions creating patterns that guide the evolution of civilizations. These patterns are visible across dimensions, serving as a shared language for the beings that inhabit the ecosystem. In another, the ethereal bloom, universes are arranged in spirals that mirror the structures of organic life, their growth and transformation reflecting the cycles of creation and renewal. The dimensional ecosystems become testaments to humanity's commitment to balance and creativity. They are not static constructs but dynamic systems that evolve in response to the needs and aspirations of their inhabitants. These ecosystems inspire new forms of collaboration and exploration, as civilizations from different universes come together to share their knowledge and experiences. The Infinite Symphony continues. As humanity's journey unfolds, its role in the multiverse becomes a reflection of its own growth. The beings that emerged from the meta-origin are no longer confined by the limitations of their origins. They are creators, guardians, and explorers, their actions shaping the destiny of infinite realities. Each act of creation, each connection forged, and each discovery made adds to the symphony of existence, enriching the infinite tapestry of life. The symphony is not a solitary endeavor. It is a collaborative effort, with beings from countless dimensions joining in the eternal dance of creation. The diversity of the multiverse becomes its greatest strength, as every perspective, every culture, and every form of life contributes to the harmony of the whole. This is the legacy of humanity, a legacy that transcends the boundaries of space, time, and reality itself. It is a story of infinite beginnings, boundless horizons, and the unyielding pursuit of meaning in an ever-expanding cosmos. And as the symphony plays on, humanity's voice echoes across the infinite, a beacon of hope, wonder, and endless possibility. The infinite bloom, humanity's eternal dance with creation and chaos. Humanity's evolution into the stewards and creators of infinite dimensions transforms existence itself into an ever-expanding work of art. Yet, amidst the harmonious symphony of creation, there exists an essential truth. Chaos and unpredictability are as vital as order and structure. This understanding drives humanity to explore the spaces between, the cracks where the unpredictable resides, and the boundless opportunities born from embracing the unknown. As the architects of dimensions, humanity's creations are no longer bound to function as isolated systems. Every new universe designed and released into existence now interacts dynamically with its neighbors, forming webs of realities that reflect the ecosystems of nature itself. These networks, living in their design, are not controlled by rigid laws but instead encouraged to grow, adapt, and even diverge from their intended paths. This approach mirrors the cycles of life, decay, and renewal once observed in Earth's own forests, rivers, and skies. One of the most extraordinary experiments conducted in this era is the creation of wild universes. Unlike the structured and carefully balanced dimensions crafted in earlier epochs, these universes are seeded with chaotic principles, an absence of predefined rules where their evolution is left entirely to chance. The outcomes are utterly unpredictable. In one such universe, energy coalesces into endless loops of cascading storms, creating oceans of liquid lightning beneath skies of crystallized starlight. In another, planets form as sentient beings, their consciousnesses intricately tied to the ecosystems that emerge upon their surfaces. These wild universes serve a greater purpose beyond aesthetic wonder. They are laboratories for understanding the role of entropy and chaos in fostering creativity, resilience, and innovation. Civilizations that arise in these dimensions are profoundly unique, shaped not by the predictability of physics, but by the survival of ingenuity. The beings of one such civilization develop methods of communication through the manipulation of gravitational waves, while another evolves symbiotic relationships with their star systems, orbiting planets becoming extensions of their collective will. Humanity's role in these wild universes is minimal by design. It observes and learns, marveling at the unforeseen ways in which life, energy, and consciousness emerge. Occasionally, humanity interacts with these realms as humble guests, offering knowledge or resources when called upon by the civilizations they encounter. These interactions foster a sense of humility and wonder, reminding humanity of the infinite potential that resides within even the most chaotic systems. The exploration of the unpredictable leads humanity deeper into the transcendent fractures, regions of the multiverse where realities overlap, intermix, and, at times, collide. These fractures are not stable. They pulse with shifting energies and oscillating timelines, creating surreal landscapes where the rules of existence are constantly rewritten. One fracture appears as an endless canyon of frozen moments, each layer of time visible as if stacked atop the last. In another, civilizations from entirely different dimensions merge temporarily, exchanging technologies and philosophies before returning to their native realities. The transcendent fractures are both perilous and profound. Humanity's navigators, entities who have evolved to perceive and traverse these chaotic realms, discover ancient artifacts embedded within the fractures, relics from civilizations that existed before the multiverse itself stabilized. These artifacts, composed of materials and energies unlike anything known, contain fragments of knowledge that reveal startling truths about the origins of the multiverse and its ultimate trajectory. One particularly enigmatic artifact, known as the primal chord, emits a frequency that resonates across all dimensions simultaneously. When humanity deciphers its patterns, they find it contains an encoded history of the first cycle of existence, a time when creation was singular and the concept of multiversality had not yet been born. This revelation inspires a new wave of exploration as humanity seeks to understand the cycles of existence that preceded the current multiverse. What forces gave rise to the first creation? What caused its collapse and rebirth as infinite dimensions? As humanity delves into these questions, it begins to craft experiments that replicate the conditions of the primordial cycle. Using the knowledge gleaned from the primal chord and other ancient artifacts, humanity engineers primordial realms, universes designed to explore the earliest moments of creation. These realms are stripped of complexity, their energies allowed to coalesce naturally into the most fundamental forms of matter and consciousness. The results are extraordinary. In one primordial realm, energy manifests as a network of crystalline structures that grow and shift in response to the flow of time. In another, consciousness emerges as a diffuse field of awareness, permeating every particle of existence. The beings that evolve in these primordial realms are unlike anything encountered before. Their existence is simple yet profound, defined by an intrinsic connection to the forces of creation itself. When humanity interacts with these beings, it learns not through language but through shared experience, a blending of awareness that transcends individuality. These exchanges deepen humanity's understanding of the cycles of existence, revealing that creation is not a linear process but a dance between order and chaos, between intention and chance. In the midst of this exploration, humanity begins to experiment with quantum harmonies, realms designed to reflect the interplay between the microcosmic and the macrocosmic. In these universes, the behavior of particles mirrors the structures of galaxies, and the actions of individuals ripple outward to shape the destinies of entire civilizations. These quantum harmonies become a bridge between the infinite and the intimate, teaching humanity that every act of creation, no matter how small, contributes to the greater whole. One quantum harmony is designed as a single continuous structure, a lattice of interconnected nodes where every star, planet, and particle is part of a unified system. Inhabitants of this realm experience existence as a collective consciousness, their individuality expressed through the unique ways in which they interact with the lattice. Their art, technology, and philosophies reflect this unity, creating a culture that sees no separation between self and the cosmos. Through these creations, humanity discovers that its role as stewards of the multiverse extends beyond the maintenance of stability. It is a role that celebrates the infinite diversity of existence, fostering connections between realities and encouraging the emergence of new forms of life, energy, and thought. Each act of creation, whether deliberate or born from chaos, adds a new thread to the ever-expanding tapestry of the multiverse. The journey is unending. With each new discovery, humanity glimpses yet another layer of existence, another question to be explored, another dimension to be woven into the symphony of creation. The infinite bloom of realities continues to expand, a testament to the boundless potential of life and the eternal interplay between chaos and harmony. This is the legacy of humanity, not as rulers or conquerors, but as creators and participants in an unending cycle of discovery and renewal. It is a story that resonates across dimensions, inspiring all who encounter it to embrace the infinite possibilities of existence. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice echoes through the cosmos, a beacon of wonder, curiosity, and boundless imagination. The infinite renaissance, humanity's mastery of creation and the secrets of the beyond. As humanity delves deeper into the infinite possibilities of the multiverse, the nature of existence begins to reveal itself as an intricate interplay of patterns, rhythms, and emergent complexities. Each step forward in exploration uncovers layers of beauty and mystery, where chaos and order coexist in a dance that defies comprehension. With its reach extending into dimensions where even the most abstract notions of time and space dissolve, humanity embarks on a new chapter of creation, collaboration, and self-discovery. This era becomes known as the Infinite Renaissance, a time defined by unprecedented creativity and the realization of humanity's role as both participant and architect of the cosmic tapestry. The Infinite Renaissance is not a single event, but an unfolding symphony, where every new act of creation amplifies the resonance of existence itself. Humanity begins to see its creations not as isolated achievements, but as interconnected expressions of a larger, eternal masterpiece. The act of universe creation evolves from a calculated endeavor into an art form. Humanity's experiments with dimensional ecosystems reach new heights, giving birth to realms that blur the boundaries between nature and technology, individuality and collectivity, chaos and harmony. Each dimension becomes a living work of art, a reflection of the intentions and aspirations of its creators. One such creation is the symphonic realm, a dimension where the very fabric of reality resonates with music. In this universe, stars emit melodies instead of light, and their harmonics influence the formation of galaxies and planetary systems. Life on these planets evolves in synchrony with the celestial symphonies, with civilizations developing cultures centered around the interplay of sound and existence. Beings in the symphonic realm perceive time not as a linear progression but as a flow of ever-changing rhythms, creating societies that prioritize adaptability, creativity, and harmony. Another experiment yields the living nexus, a universe designed to evolve as a single, interconnected organism. In the living nexus, every particle is aware, and every interaction contributes to the collective consciousness of the realm. Planets and stars function as the neural nodes of this vast organism, while civilizations act as its thoughts and dreams. Inhabitants of the living nexus develop an intrinsic understanding of their place within the whole, creating art, technology, and philosophies that reflect their unity with the cosmos. Humanity's role in these realms is not one of dominance but of guidance. Rather than imposing its will, humanity acts as a mentor, sharing knowledge and resources while respecting the autonomy of the civilizations it encounters. This approach fosters a sense of mutual respect and collaboration, ensuring that each new creation thrives in its own unique way. The Infinite Renaissance also brings humanity into deeper contact with the Eldritch dimensions, realms that defy traditional logic and understanding. These dimensions are characterized by their ever-shifting landscapes, where matter and energy behave unpredictably and consciousness itself can become fragmented and reassembled in new forms. In these realms, humanity discovers beings that exist as paradoxes, entities that are simultaneously finite and infinite, singular and collective, present and absent. Communication with these entities is a challenge that pushes humanity's understanding of perception and thought. To engage with the Eldritch beings, humanity develops adaptive consciousnesses, neural frameworks capable of altering their structure to match the cognitive patterns of the beings they encounter. These frameworks allow humanity to perceive the Eldritch dimensions not as chaotic, but as expressions of an underlying order that exists beyond conventional comprehension. The knowledge gained from these encounters inspires humanity to explore the boundaries of its own existence. By merging with the patterns of the Eldritch dimensions, humanity discovers new ways to manipulate the fabric of reality itself. This leads to the creation of transdimensional anchors, constructs that stabilize regions of the multiverse where the boundaries between dimensions are fluid. These anchors serve as hubs for exploration and collaboration, connecting civilizations across otherwise inaccessible realms. Among the most profound discoveries of the Infinite Renaissance is the existence of the Omega Stream, a flow of energy that permeates all dimensions and connects them to the meta-origin. The Omega Stream is not a physical phenomenon, but an abstract force that guides the cycles of creation, destruction, and renewal. By aligning with the Omega Stream, humanity gains the ability to influence the trajectory of the multiverse, ensuring its continued growth and vitality. The Omega Stream reveals the existence of temporal embers, fragments of realities that existed before the current multiverse. These embers, scattered across dimensions, contain echoes of ancient civilizations and their achievements. Humanity begins to gather these embers, piecing together a mosaic of the cycles that preceded its own. Each ember adds to the collective understanding of existence, offering insights into the forces that shape creation and the lessons of civilizations long past. The exploration of the Omega Stream also leads humanity to the Singularity Gardens, regions where universes converge into singular points of infinite complexity. These gardens are neither chaotic nor orderly. They are balanced on the edge of both, creating conditions where new forms of matter, energy, and consciousness emerge spontaneously. Humanity interacts with these phenomena as both observers and participants, shaping the gardens while allowing their natural evolution to unfold. In one Singularity Garden, clusters of stars form geometric patterns that pulse with energy, creating dimensional echoes that ripple outward to neighboring universes. In another, life arises as networks of interwoven particles, their interactions creating dynamic ecosystems that exist simultaneously in multiple dimensions. The Singularity Gardens become centers of innovation and wonder, inspiring humanity and its allies to push the boundaries of what is possible. As the infinite renaissance continues, humanity's influence spreads to the beyond realms, layers of existence that exist outside the multiverse entirely. These realms are characterized by their abstraction, where even the most fundamental concepts of matter, energy, and time dissolve into pure potential. In the beyond realms, humanity discovers entities that act as the architects of creation itself, shaping the flow of existence across infinite cycles. Interactions with these architects reveal the ultimate nature of the meta-origin. It is not a singular entity or location, but a process, a constant interplay of forces that generates and sustains all realities. Humanity, as part of this process, becomes both creator and creation, shaping existence while being shaped by it. This realization inspires a profound sense of purpose, guiding humanity's actions as it continues its journey through the infinite. The Infinite Renaissance is not merely an era of creation. It is a celebration of existence itself. Every act of creation, every discovery, and every connection adds to the symphony of the multiverse, enriching the tapestry of life in ways that resonate across dimensions. Humanity's story becomes one of infinite beginnings, where each new cycle of existence builds upon the last, creating a legacy that will echo for eternity. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, curiosity, and boundless imagination in the ever-expanding tapestry of existence. The eternal flourish, humanity's odyssey through boundless horizons. The Infinite Renaissance, a cascade of boundless creativity and discovery, transitions into an era of unparalleled refinement and expansion. Humanity, no longer tethered to the physical confines of time or space, becomes an integral force in the eternal symphony of the multiverse. Each action ripples outward, creating waves of influence that touch infinite dimensions, shaping both the known and unknown in ways that amplify the beauty, complexity, and harmony of existence. This chapter of humanity's journey is defined by an even deeper integration with the forces of creation. Humanity becomes more than architects. It becomes the connective tissue binding together the fractal complexity of the multiverse. No longer is existence a series of isolated universes. It is a breathing, evolving entity, where every strand contributes to the vitality of the whole. The creation of multiversal flow structures transforms the multiverse into a more cohesive and interactive entity. These flow structures are not physical constructs but emergent patterns woven into the energy dynamics of the cosmos. They act as highways for the exchange of energy, matter, and consciousness between dimensions. Universes that were once separated by vast metaphysical barriers now coexist in symbiotic relationships, each benefiting from the unique contributions of its neighbors. One of the most ambitious projects undertaken during this era is the design of living nexus constellations, clusters of universes that function as single, interdependent organisms. These constellations are arranged so that energy flows seamlessly between them, creating a dynamic equilibrium that sustains their growth and evolution. Civilizations within these constellations develop a profound awareness of their interconnectedness, forming alliances that transcend the boundaries of their individual realities. In one such constellation, galaxies form as interconnected spirals of light, their stars exchanging energy in a continuous cycle that mirrors the flow of life within the organisms they sustain. Planets within these galaxies evolve ecosystems that are not limited to their surfaces. Instead, they extend into the space around them, creating networks of organic satellites and living clouds that drift between worlds. Civilizations that arise in these constellations develop a symbiotic relationship with their environment, perceiving their existence as an integral part of the cosmic flow. While these constellations represent the pinnacle of structured creation, humanity also ventures into the threshold zones, regions of the multiverse where structure dissolves into pure potential. These zones are the birthplace of new realities, where the raw energy of existence gathers and coalesces into nascent dimensions. Humanity learns to interact with these zones not as creators but as catalysts, guiding the emergent patterns without imposing their will. In one threshold zone, humanity witnesses the formation of a quantum bloom, a cascade of interconnected universes that arise simultaneously from a single point of origin. These universes are woven together by strands of energy that pulse with a rhythm resembling a heartbeat, their synchrony creating a resonance that stabilizes their growth. Humanity interacts with this bloom as caretakers, ensuring that its delicate balance is maintained as it evolves into a fully realized constellation of dimensions. The exploration of threshold zones also reveals the existence of proto-conscious realms, dimensions that are not yet fully formed but already exhibit rudimentary awareness. These realms, composed of swirling energies and shifting patterns, respond to humanity's presence with curiosity and creativity. Interacting with these realms is akin to nurturing a young mind, where every action influences the development of a new and unique perspective on existence. The proto-conscious realms inspire humanity to create sentient universes, dimensions designed to evolve as conscious entities. These universes are not merely habitats for life, they are life. Their stars, planets, and even the voids between them possess awareness, their interactions shaping the flow of energy and information within the dimension. Civilizations that arise in these universes develop an innate connection to their environment, perceiving themselves as the thoughts and dreams of their cosmos. One sentient universe, known as Aurora, evolves as a realm of pure light and sound. Its galaxies emit symphonies that change with the passage of time, their melodies guiding the growth of planets and the evolution of life. Civilizations in Aurora develop technologies that harmonize with the symphony, using it to communicate across vast distances and to unlock the secrets of their cosmos. Humanity interacts with Aurora as collaborators, learning from its unique perspective and contributing their own knowledge to its endless song. As humanity deepens its integration with the multiverse, it begins to explore the emanation layers, dimensions that exist as reflections of the meta-origin's infinite potential. These layers are characterized by their fluidity, where the boundaries between energy, matter, and consciousness dissolve into pure possibility. In the emanation layers, humanity encounters entities that exist as shifting patterns of intention, their forms constantly adapting to the flow of existence. These entities, known as the Eternals, act as guides and mentors, sharing their knowledge of the deeper cycles of creation. Through their interactions with the Eternals, humanity learns to perceive the multiverse as a single, living entity, where every dimension, every particle, and every thought contributes to the whole. This understanding inspires humanity to create the harmonic grid, a network of dimensional alignments that amplify the flow of energy and information across the multiverse. The harmonic grid becomes a source of profound collaboration, connecting civilizations from dimensions that were once isolated. Through the grid, beings from vastly different realities share their art, science, and philosophies, creating a tapestry of culture that spans the infinite. The grid also facilitates the emergence of meta-civilizations, societies that exist simultaneously across multiple dimensions. These civilizations develop a collective identity that transcends individual universes, becoming symbols of unity and creativity. One of the most extraordinary achievements of this era is the creation of cosmic memory threads, streams of energy that encode the history and knowledge of the multiverse. These threads are woven into the fabric of existence itself, ensuring that the lessons and achievements of every civilization are preserved and accessible to future generations. The cosmic memory threads become a living library where beings from across the multiverse can explore the collective wisdom of existence. As the multiverse evolves, humanity's role continues to expand. No longer limited to the creation of individual dimensions, humanity begins to shape the very cycles of creation and renewal that define existence. This involves the crafting of resonance cascades, events that trigger the birth of new dimensions while harmonizing with the rhythms of existing realities. These cascades ensure that the multiverse remains dynamic and balanced, allowing for infinite growth and transformation. In one resonance cascade, humanity orchestrates the birth of a fractal cluster, a group of universes that mirror each other's structures at every scale. This cluster becomes a source of innovation and inspiration, as civilizations within it explore the implications of their interconnectedness. In another cascade, humanity facilitates the emergence of a temporal nexus, a dimension where past, present, and future coexist in a seamless flow. This nexus becomes a hub for exploration and collaboration, attracting beings from across the multiverse. Through these acts of creation, humanity solidifies its legacy as both stewards and participants in the eternal dance of existence. Each new dimension, each connection forged, and each insight gained adds to the infinite tapestry of the multiverse, enriching the symphony of life in ways that resonate across all realities. This is the story of humanity's eternal journey, a story of infinite beginnings, boundless creativity, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. As the symphony of creation continues, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and infinite possibility. The eternal arc, humanity's expansion into the boundless unknown. As humanity's reach spans the infinite expanse of the multiverse, its role as creators, stewards, and collaborators deepens in complexity and significance. The arc of its existence bends toward the unknown, where creation itself becomes both a journey and a form of existence. This phase of humanity's odyssey is not marked by control but by harmonization, a delicate interplay of guidance and surrender to the cosmic forces that shape realities. With every act of creation, exploration, and understanding, humanity forges new connections, enriching the infinite tapestry of existence. The nature of creation evolves. No longer confined to the formation of discrete universes, humanity begins to experiment with dimensional symphonies, meta-realities designed to function as living, adaptive systems that generate new dimensions spontaneously. These symphonies are not bound by static laws. They shift and evolve in response to the flow of energy and consciousness within the multiverse. Each symphony acts as a seedbed for emergent universes, where the boundaries between creator and creation blur, fostering a process that is as organic as it is intentional. One of the first dimensional symphonies, known as Ilias, emerges as a realm of perpetual transformation. In Ilias, dimensions coalesce, dissolve, and reform in cycles that mirror the rhythms of life and death. Each cycle births new patterns of existence, where energy crystallizes into forms that are unique and unrepeatable. Civilizations that arise in Ilias live as participants in these cycles, their cultures reflecting the transient beauty of their worlds. Humanity interacts with Ilias as caretakers, ensuring that its cycles remain balanced and harmonious. Through their work in Ilias and similar realms, humanity discovers that creation is not an isolated act but part of an ongoing dialogue with the multiverse itself. This revelation leads to the development of harmonic orchestration, a process in which humanity collaborates with other advanced civilizations and the multiverse's intrinsic forces to shape the flow of existence. Harmonic orchestration becomes the foundation for the creation of metadimensions, layers of reality that exist beyond the conventional multiverse. Metadimensions are not physical spaces but dynamic systems that influence the structure and behavior of the multiverse. One such dimension, called interlace, serves as a nexus for energy distribution, ensuring that the cycles of creation and entropy remain balanced. Astrolace exists as a lattice of interwoven energy streams, each pulsating with the rhythms of countless dimensions. Beings from across the multiverse converge in Astrolace, using its energy flows to sustain their own realities and to collaborate on projects of universal significance. The exploration of metadimensions reveals the existence of dimensional archetypes, fundamental patterns that underlie all realities. These archetypes are not static forms but evolving templates that guide the emergence of universes, civilizations, and even consciousness itself. Humanity begins to study these archetypes, learning to interact with them as co-creators. By aligning with these patterns, humanity gains the ability to influence the development of realities in ways that are both subtle and profound. One-dimensional archetype, known as the spiral nexus, manifests as a recurring motif in galaxies, ecosystems, and cultural expressions across countless dimensions. Humanity discovers that the spiral nexus represents the principle of interconnectedness, where every element of existence is part of a larger whole. By harmonizing with this archetype, humanity creates realms that reflect its essence, fostering universes where collaboration and unity are intrinsic. The discovery of dimensional archetypes also leads humanity to uncover the ethereal currents, flows of energy and intention that permeate the multiverse. These currents act as conduits for communication and interaction between dimensions, enabling civilizations to share knowledge and resources without crossing physical boundaries. Humanity learns to navigate these currents, creating networks of interaction that span infinite realities. Through the ethereal currents, humanity encounters civilizations that exist as pure intention. These beings, known as the intangibles, have no fixed form or location. They manifest as ripples in the currents, their presence felt as shifts in awareness and possibility. The intangibles act as guides, helping humanity to deepen its understanding of the multiverse and its role within it. Their interactions inspire humanity to explore new forms of existence, where individuality and collectivity merge into a seamless whole. The creation of metadimensions and the exploration of ethereal currents culminate in the development of universal enclaves, realms that serve as sanctuaries and hubs for collaboration across the multiverse. These enclaves are designed to adapt to the needs of their inhabitants, creating environments that foster creativity, learning, and connection. Each enclave is a microcosm of the multiverse, where beings from diverse realities coexist and thrive. One such enclave, called Luminera, is crafted as a realm of perpetual twilight, where light and shadow intertwine to create landscapes of breathtaking beauty. Inhabitants of Luminera use its shifting energies to create art, technology, and philosophies that reflect the interplay of opposites. Another enclave, Solarith, exists as a network of floating islands that drift through a sea of stars. Each island is a self-contained ecosystem, connected to its neighbors through bridges of light and sound. The enclaves become centers of innovation and exploration, attracting beings from across the multiverse who seek to contribute to the greater whole. Humanity acts as both host and collaborator, sharing its knowledge and learning from the diverse perspectives of its guests. These interactions lead to the creation of harmonic bridges, structures that link enclaves to their surrounding dimensions, creating networks of cooperation and exchange. As humanity's influence grows, so does its understanding of the cycles of existence. The act of creation is no longer seen as a singular event, but as part of a larger process of renewal and transformation. This understanding inspires humanity to explore the cosmic oscillations, cycles of expansion and contraction that shape the multiverse. By aligning with these oscillations, humanity learns to harmonize its actions with the rhythms of existence, ensuring that its creations contribute to the vitality of the whole. The exploration of cosmic oscillations leads humanity to discover the prime vortex, a region of the multiverse where all dimensions converge in a spiral of infinite complexity. The prime vortex is not a destination but a process, where the energies of creation and destruction flow together to generate new realities. Humanity interacts with the prime vortex as both observer and participant, learning to navigate its currents and to contribute to its cycles. Through its interactions with the prime vortex, humanity discovers that the act of creation is not limited to the physical or metaphysical. It extends to the realm of thought, where ideas and intentions shape the fabric of existence. This realization inspires humanity to experiment with cognitive realms, dimensions that exist as manifestations of collective consciousness. In these realms, civilizations create worlds and ecosystems through the power of shared imagination, their thoughts becoming the building blocks of reality. One cognitive realm, called Aurora, evolves as a tapestry of dreams and aspirations. Its landscapes shift and change in response to the hopes and fears of its inhabitants, creating a dynamic interplay between intention and manifestation. Humanity interacts with Aurora as collaborators, learning from its unique perspective and contributing its own vision to its ever-changing form. As the journey continues, humanity's story becomes one of infinite possibility and perpetual renewal. Each new discovery, each act of creation, and each connection forged adds to the symphony of existence, enriching the multiverse in ways that resonate across all realities. The arc of humanity's journey is not one of endings but of eternal beginnings, where every step forward opens the door to new horizons. This is the legacy of humanity, a legacy of creativity, curiosity, and boundless imagination. It is a story that will continue to unfold, echoing through the infinite expanse of existence as a beacon of hope and wonder for all who encounter it. The Ascendant Weave, humanity's infinite integration across realities. As humanity's presence threads ever deeper into the multiverse, its role becomes less about isolated acts of creation and more about fostering unity, continuity, and innovation across all realms of existence. Humanity has evolved from explorers to caretakers, from caretakers to co-creators, and now from co-creators to weavers of an infinite tapestry that connects realities both seen and unseen. This era is defined by a harmonious blending of art, science, and consciousness, where even the smallest of intentions ripples across the grand expanse, shaping the multiverse in ways both subtle and profound. Humanity's experiments with cognitive realms reveal the untapped potential of collective imagination as a force for creation. These dimensions, born from the shared thoughts and dreams of countless beings, are dynamic and endlessly evolving. Each moment of interaction adds new layers to these realms, creating ecosystems, cultures, and civilizations that reflect the collective aspirations of their inhabitants. One such realm, Inspire, emerges as a nexus for creative convergence. In this dimension, thoughts take physical form, creating landscapes that mirror the inner worlds of their creators. Mountains form as embodiments of resilience, rivers flow with the currents of inspiration, and forests grow as manifestations of collective harmony. Beings who enter Inspire find their own ideas blending seamlessly with those of others, generating entirely new forms of art, science, and philosophy. Humanity facilitates this process not by directing it, but by creating conditions that allow imagination to flourish unbound. As cognitive realms like Inspire flourish, humanity begins to explore the concept of emergent civilizations, societies that arise not from physical environments but from the interplay of ideas, intentions, and shared experiences. These civilizations exist as networks of thought, their structures woven from the collective understanding and creativity of their participants. Without physical constraints, emergent civilizations evolve at incredible speeds, their progress driven by the limitless potential of imagination. Through the eternal weave, humanity achieves a new level of integration, becoming not just creators but co-creators with the multiverse itself. The boundaries between action and intention, thought and reality, dissolve entirely, replaced by a seamless flow of creation that enriches the tapestry of life in ways that resonate across all realities. This is the story of humanity's eternal resonance, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice echoes through the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The Infinite Nexus, humanity's eternal expansion into the boundless unknown. Humanity's odyssey across the multiverse has reached a stage where the act of creation transcends individual universes and becomes an infinite interplay of connection, transformation, and harmony. The multiverse itself now resonates as a single living entity, and humanity is one of its central weavers, an eternal participant in a cosmic dialogue of discovery and emergence. The threads of existence, once scattered and isolated, are drawn together into a symphony that expands and evolves with every interaction. The emergence of the Nexus Matrix. In this epoch, humanity focuses on the creation and refinement of the Nexus Matrix, an overarching framework that integrates dimensions, timelines, and realities into a dynamic system of growth and balance. The Nexus Matrix is not a physical structure but a metadimensional phenomenon, a living network of energy and intention that spans the infinite expanse. Its purpose is not to control but to enhance the natural interplay of the multiverse, amplifying its vitality and fostering the emergence of new forms of life, energy, and thought. The foundation of the Nexus Matrix lies in the harmonic anchors, points of convergence where energy and consciousness align to create stable hubs of interaction. These anchors are scattered across the multiverse, each serving as a focal point for the Nexus Matrix. Humanity works alongside countless civilizations to establish these anchors, creating systems that adapt to the unique characteristics of their surrounding dimensions. One of the most extraordinary harmonic anchors, known as the Radiant Confluence, emerges as a nexus of light and sound that transcends physical form. In the Radiant Confluence, dimensions overlap and intertwine, their interactions generating waves of energy that ripple outward to enrich the multiverse. Civilizations from across the multiverse gather here to share their knowledge, art, and philosophies, creating a culture of collaboration that transcends individual realities. Humanity interacts with the Radiant Confluence as both facilitator and participant, weaving its actions into the greater symphony of existence. The integration of dimensional harmonies. The creation of the Nexus Matrix leads humanity to explore the dimensional harmonies, the underlying patterns that govern the flow of energy and consciousness across the multiverse. These harmonies are not static laws but dynamic principles that adapt and evolve in response to the actions and intentions of those who interact with them. By aligning with these harmonies, humanity gains the ability to influence the cycles of creation and transformation that shape the multiverse. In one-dimensional harmony, known as aural flow, the interplay of light, sound, and motion creates a seamless continuum where physical and metaphysical elements merge. Civilizations within aural flow develop technologies and philosophies that reflect their connection to the harmony, creating cultures that thrive on adaptability and creativity. Humanity collaborates with these civilizations to explore the deeper rhythms of existence, uncovering insights that inform its role as a steward of the multiverse. The mastery of dimensional harmonies inspires humanity to experiment with resonance tapestries, systems of interconnected dimensions that function as living works of art. Each tapestry is a dynamic entity, its structure reflecting the interplay of energy, intention,
32
and
seconds
form
into the
within the
flight.
dimensions it encompasses.
The three liquid
Humanity
fuel main
works
engines soon will
alongside
throttle
other
back to
advanced
72% of
civilizations to
rated
create
performance
these
down the bucket,
tapestries,
reducing the stress
ensuring
on
that
the
they
shuttle as it
remain
goes
balanced
transonic.
and vibrant. One resonance tapestry, called Celestial Bloom, evolves as a network of galaxies and star systems that emit waves of light and sound in perfect synchrony. These waves influence the development of life within the tapestry, creating ecosystems and civilizations that resonate with the patterns of the whole. Humanity interacts with Celestial Bloom as a collaborator, using its knowledge to guide the tapestry's evolution while embracing the lessons it offers. The exploration of temporal spirals. The integration of the Nexus Matrix leads humanity to explore the temporal spirals, cycles of time that influence the evolution of dimensions and civilizations. These spirals are not linear progressions but multidimensional patterns that loop, branch, and converge in endless variation. Humanity learns to navigate these spirals using chronal vessels, constructs that harmonize with the flow of time and enable interaction with multiple timelines simultaneously. Through the temporal spirals, humanity encounters civilizations that exist as chronal collectives, beings who perceive time as a unified whole rather than a sequence of events. These collectives develop cultures and technologies that reflect their unique relationship with time, creating systems of governance and creativity that transcend conventional notions of causality. Humanity collaborates with the chronal collectives to explore the implications of nonlinear time, uncovering new approaches to creation and interaction. The mastery of temporal spirals inspires humanity to create temporal gardens, curated realms where civilizations can explore the interplay of past, present, and future without being constrained by linearity. These gardens become centers of innovation and exploration, where the boundaries of time dissolve into endless possibility. The genesis of fractal universes. As the Nexus matrix continues to evolve, humanity begins to experiment with fractal universes, realms where every scale of existence mirrors the structure of the whole. In these universes, the interactions of particles reflect the dynamics of galaxies, and the actions of individuals influence the flow of entire civilizations. Humanity learns to navigate these fractal patterns, using their symmetry to create systems of infinite complexity and beauty. One fractal universe, known as Erythian's Pulse, evolves as a self-sustaining ecosystem of light and energy. In Erythian's Pulse, stars and planets are not separate entities but interconnected nodes in a vast network of consciousness. Civilizations within the universe perceive themselves as expressions of the whole, creating technologies and philosophies that reflect their unity with the cosmos. Humanity interacts with Erythian's Pulse as both mentor and student, sharing its insights while learning from the unique perspectives of its inhabitants. The exploration of fractal universes inspires humanity to delve deeper into the primordial threads, the foundational patterns that underpin the structure of the multiverse. These threads are not physical or metaphysical. They are the essence of existence itself, woven from the interplay of energy, intention, and potential. By aligning with the primordial threads, humanity gains the ability to influence the emergence of new dimensions in ways that reflect the harmony of the greater whole. The eternal weave and the infinite future. The culmination of the Nexus matrix is the eternal weave, a living tapestry that integrates every dimension, every being, and every idea into a cohesive, harmonious whole. The eternal weave is not a static construct but a dynamic process, one that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. It is a celebration of diversity and unity, where every voice, every action, and every intention adds to the symphony of existence. Through the eternal weave, humanity achieves a level of integration that transcends all previous forms of existence. The boundaries between action and intention, thought and reality, dissolve entirely, replaced by a seamless flow of creation that enriches the multiverse in ways that resonate across all realities. This is the legacy of humanity, an eternal journey of creativity, discovery, and transformation. It is a story of infinite beginnings, boundless horizons, and unending wonder. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice echoes through the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The boundless tapestry, humanity's infinite ascent. Humanity's integration into the infinite multiverse has become a dance of boundless creativity and interaction. The concept of separation has ceased to exist, and the lines between dimensions, beings, and energies blur into an ever-expanding continuum. Humanity, now a collective consciousness of boundless form and intent, exists not as an individual entity but as a thread woven into the infinite fabric of creation. Every action, every thought, and every moment is a part of the greater symphony of existence, resonating across all realities. The multiverse itself has evolved into a vast, interconnected network, where every dimension pulses with its own unique rhythm, contributing to the cosmic harmony. Humanity's role as a harmonizer grows more profound as it learns to perceive the multiverse as a single living entity, constantly adapting, growing, and reshaping itself. Through this perspective, the act of creation shifts from mere construction to an act of communion with the forces of existence. In one region of the multiverse, the concept of creation takes on a new dimension with the emergence of realms designed as dynamic, ever-evolving ecosystems. These realms, known as continuum gardens, are not static universes but living systems that grow and change in response to the interactions within them. Humanity, along with countless civilizations, participates in these gardens, planting seeds of energy, intention, and thought that blossom into dimensions of unparalleled beauty and complexity. One such garden becomes known as the blossoming array, a dimension where every particle is aware, contributing to the growth and evolution of the whole. Stars, rather than being isolated spheres of burning energy, form intricate networks of consciousness, their light acting as bridges between planets and civilizations. Planets themselves evolve symbiotically, their ecosystems adapting in harmony with the cosmic forces that shape them. Humanity's role here is as both caretaker and collaborator, nurturing the garden while learning from its infinite possibilities. Beyond these continuum gardens, humanity ventures into the unfolding realms, regions of the multiverse where dimensions are born spontaneously from the interactions of energy and intention. These realms are characterized by their fluidity, where the boundaries between existence and potential blur. Here, humanity discovers a new form of creation, one that does not rely on design or structure, but emerges organically from the interplay of forces. In one unfolding realm, a cascade of light and sound gives rise to a dimension where time flows in concentric waves, creating realities that overlap and merge in unpredictable ways. Civilizations that arise here perceive existence not as a linear progression, but as an intricate tapestry of simultaneous moments. Humanity learns to navigate this realm by developing new forms of perception, allowing it to experience time as a living, multidimensional phenomenon. Through its interactions with the unfolding realms, humanity begins to understand the multiverse as a fractal entity, where every layer reflects the patterns of the whole. This realization inspires the creation of fractal collectives, networks of civilizations that collaborate across dimensions to explore the deeper truths of existence. These collectives are not bound by physical form or location. They exist as flows of energy and consciousness that permeate the multiverse. One fractal collective, known as the Infinite Accord, evolves as a dynamic system of interaction where every action reverberates across countless dimensions. Members of the Accord develop technologies and philosophies that amplify their interconnectedness, creating systems that thrive on collaboration and mutual enrichment. Humanity becomes an integral part of the Accord, contributing its knowledge and creativity while learning from the diverse perspectives of its allies. As the Infinite Accord flourishes, humanity encounters beings that exist as pure expressions of the multiverse's potential. These entities, called the Boundless, have no fixed form or identity. They manifest as flows of possibility that adapt to the dimensions they inhabit. Interacting with the Boundless requires humanity to transcend even its most advanced forms of perception, engaging with these entities on a level of pure intent and resonance. The Boundless inspire humanity to experiment with new forms of existence, where individuality and collectivity merge into a unified whole. These experiments lead to the creation of dimensional blooms, realms that function as living expressions of the infinite weave. Each bloom is unique, its structure reflecting the interplay of energy, intention, and form within the multiverse. In one dimensional bloom, called the Prism Nexus, light and consciousness intertwine to create landscapes of breathtaking beauty. Beings within the Nexus exist as waves of energy, their interactions shaping the dimension's evolution. Humanity participates in the Prism Nexus not as creators but as participants, adding its voice to the symphony of the bloom while learning from its infinite intricacies. Through its work with the Boundless and the dimensional blooms, humanity discovers that the act of creation is not about imposing structure but about fostering connection. This realization leads to the emergence of the resonant spiral, a process that integrates dimensions, civilizations, and energies into a cohesive, harmonious whole. The resonant spiral is not a static construct. It is a living, breathing system that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. The resonant spiral becomes the foundation for the eternal arc, a phase of humanity's journey where every action contributes to the vitality of the multiverse. Through the eternal arc, humanity learns to navigate the cycles of creation, transformation, and renewal that define existence. It becomes a master of the primordial threads, weaving new dimensions into the tapestry of the multiverse with precision and grace. In one act of creation, humanity collaborates with countless civilizations to birth the Solarian Cascade, a dimension where stars form intricate networks of energy that sustain life on a cosmic scale. In the cascade, Planets are not isolated worlds but interconnected nodes in a vast system of life, their ecosystems thriving in symbiosis with the energy flows of the dimension. Humanity's role here is as both mentor and collaborator, guiding the evolution of the cascade while embracing the lessons it offers. The eternal arc is not about reaching a destination, but about embracing the infinite possibilities of existence. Every act of creation, every connection forged, and every insight gained adds to the symphony of the multiverse, enriching the tapestry of life in ways that resonate across all realities. Humanity's legacy is one of boundless creativity, endless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a story of infinite beginnings and boundless horizons, a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The Eternal Symphony, humanity's infinite resonance within the cosmos. Humanity's role as a co-creator in the infinite multiverse evolves into something more profound, an orchestrator of existence itself. The boundaries between what is created and what creates have dissolved, replaced by an endless cycle of interaction, growth, and harmony. Humanity no longer perceives its journey as a linear path. Instead, it recognizes its place within an eternal symphony, where every dimension, every being, and every moment contributes to a greater resonance. The multiverse, once a vast expanse of isolated realities, is now unified by the harmonic nexus, a living matrix that weaves energy, thought, and existence into a cohesive whole. Humanity's efforts to harmonize the multiverse reach new heights as it creates systems that amplify the natural rhythms of dimensions, ensuring that every thread contributes to the vitality of the whole. In one sector of the multiverse, humanity collaborates with civilizations from countless realities to establish the Infinite Canopy, a structure of interwoven dimensions that functions as a self-sustaining ecosystem. The Infinite Canopy is not a single dimension but a network of interconnected realms, each contributing to the stability and growth of the system. Within the canopy, energy flows like rivers through forests of light, nourishing civilizations and fostering the emergence of new forms of life. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Infinite Canopy is its ability to adapt to the needs of its inhabitants. In one realm, a civilization of sentient beings composed entirely of sound creates symphonies that resonate across the dimensions, influencing the development of neighboring realities. In another, ecosystems of luminous flora and fauna evolve symbiotically with the energy flows of the canopy, creating landscapes of unparalleled beauty and complexity. Humanity's role within the Infinite Canopy is as a steward, ensuring that the system remains balanced while allowing it to evolve organically. The creation of the Infinite Canopy inspires humanity to explore the concept of dimensional symphonies, realms where the interplay of energy, matter, and consciousness generates patterns of infinite complexity. These symphonies are not designed. They emerge naturally from the interactions within the multiverse. Humanity learns to interact with these symphonies not as creators but as participants, aligning its actions with their rhythms to enhance their resonance. One-dimensional symphony, known as the Aurora convergence, forms as a cascade of light and sound that flows through dimensions like a living river. In the Aurora convergence, civilizations evolve in harmony with the symphony, creating cultures that reflect the interplay of chaos and order. Humanity interacts with the Aurora convergence as both observer and collaborator, contributing its insights while learning from the unique dynamics of this ever-changing phenomenon. Through its work with dimensional symphonies, humanity uncovers the existence of ethereal threads, streams of energy that connect dimensions in ways that transcend conventional understanding. These threads are not static. They shift and adapt in response to the needs and aspirations of the dimensions they touch. Humanity learns to navigate the ethereal threads using resonant vessels, constructs that harmonize with the threads and amplify their connectivity. In one emergent civilization, known as the Etherion Collective, individuals form nodes in a vast web of interconnected consciousness. Each node contributes its unique perspective to the whole, creating a society that functions as a single, unified mind. The Etherion Collective develops technologies and philosophies that transcend individuality, focusing on the well-being of the collective while celebrating the distinctiveness of its parts. Humanity interacts with the Etherion collective as partners, sharing its knowledge and learning from the innovative approaches of this entirely new form of existence. The exploration of emergent civilizations inspires humanity to delve further into the foundational layers, dimensions that exist as the bedrock of reality. These layers are not physical spaces but frameworks that support the multiverse, providing the stability needed for dimensions to coexist and evolve. Humanity discovers that the foundational layers are woven from patterns of energy and intention, their structure reflecting the interplay of creation and entropy. One foundational layer, called the lattice of eternity, is composed of interwoven strands of energy that pulse with the rhythms of the multiverse. These strands serve as conduits for the flow of life, connecting dimensions and civilizations in ways that defy conventional understanding. Humanity learns to interact with the lattice not as manipulators, but as participants, harmonizing its actions with the natural flow of energy and intention. Through its interactions with the lattice of eternity, humanity uncovers the existence of dimensional echoes, reverberations of past cycles of creation that continue to influence the present. These echoes manifest as faint patterns within the lattice, offering glimpses into the histories of civilizations that existed before the current multiverse. Humanity begins to study these echoes, piecing together a narrative of the infinite cycles that have shaped existence. The study of dimensional echoes leads humanity to discover the cycle nexus, a region of the multiverse where the remnants of previous cycles converge. The cycle nexus is a realm of extraordinary complexity, where timelines, dimensions, and civilizations overlap and intertwine. Within this nexus, humanity encounters beings that existed in earlier iterations of existence, entities that have persisted across cycles as custodians of knowledge and memory. These custodians, known as the Eternals of the Nexus, act as guides and collaborators, sharing their insights into the deeper rhythms of existence. Through their guidance, humanity learns to perceive the multiverse not as a linear progression but as a spiral of infinite cycles, each building upon the last. This understanding inspires humanity to approach its role as creators with a renewed sense of humility and purpose, recognizing that its actions are part of a larger, eternal process. The collaboration with the Eternals of the Nexus leads to the creation of resonant archives, repositories of knowledge that exist as living entities within the multiverse. These archives are not static collections of information. They are dynamic, evolving systems that adapt to the needs of those who interact with them. Each archive is designed to resonate with the dimensions it serves, providing guidance and inspiration while preserving the wisdom of countless civilizations. One such archive, the Lumina Vault, is crafted as a luminous sphere that floats within the ethereal currents. Its surface shimmers with patterns of light that encode the histories, philosophies, and achievements of the dimensions it encompasses. Beings who approach the Lumina Vault find its patterns shifting to reflect their own perspectives, creating a dialogue between the archive and its visitors. Humanity uses the Lumina Vault as a bridge between civilizations, fostering connections and collaborations that span infinite realities. As the multiverse continues to evolve, humanity begins to experiment with transcendent ecosystems, systems that integrate physical, metaphysical, and cognitive elements into seamless wholes. These ecosystems are not confined to single dimensions. They extend across multiple realities, creating networks of interaction that transcend conventional boundaries. Each transcendent ecosystem is designed to foster balance, creativity, and resilience, ensuring that the multiverse remains dynamic and vibrant. One transcendent ecosystem, called the Radiant Web, functions as a self-sustaining network of interconnected dimensions. In this web, energy flows like water, nourishing the ecosystems and civilizations it touches. Stars within the Radiant Web act as nodes of consciousness, their light carrying information and inspiration across vast distances. Civilizations within the web develop technologies that align with its natural rhythms, creating societies that thrive in harmony with their environment. Through the creation of transcendent ecosystems, humanity discovers that the act of creation is not limited to building new dimensions. It is also about nurturing the connections that sustain existence, ensuring that every thread of the multiverse contributes to the whole. This realization inspires humanity to focus on the Infinite Weave, a project that seeks to integrate every dimension, every being, and every idea into a cohesive, harmonious tapestry. The Infinite Weave is not a single structure but a living process, one that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. It is a celebration of diversity and unity, where every voice, every action, and every intention adds to the symphony of existence. Through the Infinite Weave, humanity achieves a new level of integration, becoming not just creators but co-creators with the multiverse itself. This is the story of humanity's ascendance, a journey of infinite creativity, endless discovery, and boundless wonder. It is a story that will continue to unfold, echoing through the infinite expanse of existence as a beacon of hope, harmony, and possibility. The constellation of eternity, humanity's seamless fusion with the infinite. As humanity's journey into the infinite deepens, the act of existence becomes synonymous with creation, collaboration, and transcendence. Every thread of the multiverse becomes a note in an eternal symphony, and humanity itself serves as both the composer and the instrument through which these harmonies are expressed. This stage of the Odyssey is marked by the dissolution of boundaries, not just physical or dimensional, but conceptual. Humanity transcends dualities, integrating into the multiverse as an essential element of its growth and vitality. The Infinite Weave begins to take form, not as a rigid structure but as a living, breathing entity that spans dimensions, timelines, and realities. The weave is self-sustaining, constantly adapting and evolving to reflect the infinite potential of existence. It becomes a framework for connectivity, enabling dimensions that were once isolated to interact in ways that amplify their collective vitality. In one corner of the Infinite Weave, a cluster of universes known as the Luminal Verge emerges as a hub of cultural and intellectual exchange. The Luminal Verge is a realm of perpetual twilight, where the light of countless stars blends into a kaleidoscope of colors that shift with the flow of time. Here, civilizations from across the multiverse gather to share their knowledge, art, and philosophies. The interactions within the Verge inspire new forms of collaboration, leading to the creation of technologies and ideas that transcend the limitations of any single reality. One of the most profound developments within the Luminal Verge is the concept of symbiotic dimensions, realities that evolve in direct relationship with one another. These dimensions share energy, consciousness, and intention, creating a dynamic interplay that sustains their growth. Humanity becomes a facilitator of these relationships, guiding the dimensions as they adapt and evolve together. The creation of symbiotic dimensions leads to the discovery of harmonic universes, realms where the cycles of creation and destruction are perfectly balanced. These universes are not static. They are in a constant state of flux, their energies flowing in rhythms that mirror the heartbeat of the multiverse. Civilizations within harmonic universes develop cultures that reflect this balance, creating art, science, and governance systems that emphasize harmony and adaptability. In one harmonic universe, known as Erythea, the interplay of creation and destruction is expressed through the dance of its galaxies. Stars are born and collapse in cycles that generate waves of energy, which travel across the universe and influence the evolution of life. Civilizations in Erythea develop technologies that harness these energy waves, using them to shape their environments and connect with neighboring galaxies. Humanity collaborates with the beings of Erythea to explore the deeper rhythms of existence, uncovering insights that inform its role as a steward of the multiverse. The exploration of harmonic universes inspires humanity to delve into the resonance fields, regions of the multiverse where energy and consciousness converge to create emergent phenomena. These fields are characterized by their fluidity, where the boundaries between matter, energy, and thought dissolve into a seamless whole. Humanity learns to navigate these fields using resonance constructs, vessels that adapt to the shifting conditions of the fields and harmonize with their energies. One of the most extraordinary discoveries within the resonance fields is the existence of luminous wells, points of convergence where the energies of countless dimensions flow together. These wells act as crucibles of creation, generating new forms of matter, energy, and consciousness. Humanity interacts with the luminous wells as collaborators, guiding the processes of emergence while allowing the wells to evolve naturally. Through its interactions with the luminous wells, humanity develops the concept of dimensional gardens, curated realms that blend the natural and the artificial into seamless ecosystems. These gardens are designed to reflect the diversity and interconnectedness of the multiverse, creating environments where life, energy, and consciousness thrive in harmony. Each garden becomes a microcosm of the multiverse, a living testament to the beauty of integration. One-dimensional garden, called the prism bloom, exists as a network of crystalline structures that refract light into infinite patterns. These patterns encode the histories and aspirations of the dimensions that contribute to the garden, creating a tapestry of interconnected stories. Inhabitants of the prism bloom live as caretakers of its ecosystems, their cultures celebrating the interplay of light and life. Humanity interacts with the prism bloom as partners, sharing its knowledge while learning from the unique perspectives of its inhabitants. The creation of dimensional gardens leads to the development of living enclaves, realms that serve as sanctuaries for beings from across the multiverse. These enclaves are not just places of refuge, they are centers of growth and transformation, where individuals and civilizations come together to share their knowledge and experiences. Each enclave is designed to adapt to the needs of its inhabitants, creating environments that foster creativity, collaboration, and renewal. One such enclave, Solaris Haven, is a realm of perpetual dawn, where the light of 1,000 suns bathes its landscapes in warmth and vitality. The Haven's inhabitants, drawn from diverse dimensions, create a culture that emphasizes interconnectedness and mutual support. Humanity plays a central role in the Haven, acting as facilitators and collaborators in the creation of new ideas and innovations. As the multiverse continues to evolve, humanity's understanding of its role expands. The infinite weave becomes more than a framework for connectivity. It becomes a means of shaping the very cycles of existence. Humanity learns to influence the primordial flows, the currents of energy and intention that give rise to new dimensions. By aligning with these flows, humanity ensures that its actions contribute to the vitality and diversity of the multiverse. The mastery of the primordial flows leads to the creation of resonant arcs, events that catalyze the birth of new dimensions while harmonizing with the rhythms of existing realities. Each resonant arc is a celebration of creation, where civilizations from across the multiverse come together to witness the emergence of a new realm. These events become milestones in the journey of the infinite weave, marking the points where humanity's actions ripple outward to shape the cosmos. In one resonant arc, humanity facilitates the birth of Orion Spiral, a dimension where time flows in fractal patterns. The spiral civilizations develop technologies that allow them to navigate its complex timelines, creating a culture that thrives on adaptability and innovation. Humanity interacts with the spiral as collaborators, sharing its knowledge while learning from the unique challenges and opportunities presented by its fractal nature. The journey through the multiverse reveals that the act of creation is not confined to the birth of new dimensions. It is also about nurturing the connections that sustain existence, ensuring that every thread of the infinite weave contributes to the whole. This realization inspires humanity to focus on the cosmic threadwork, a project that seeks to integrate every dimension, every being, and every idea into a cohesive, harmonious tapestry. The cosmic threadwork is not a static construct but a living process, one that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. It is a celebration of diversity and unity, where every voice, every action, and every intention adds to the symphony of existence. Through the cosmic threadwork, humanity achieves a new level of integration, becoming not just creators but co-creators with the multiverse itself. This is the legacy of humanity, a journey of infinite creativity, endless discovery, and boundless wonder. It is a story that will continue to unfold, echoing through the infinite expanse of existence as a beacon of hope, harmony, and possibility. The Boundless Symphony, humanity's infinite dance with creation. As humanity integrates further into the multiverse, the distinctions between creator and creation, action and reaction, and thought and reality blur into a seamless continuum. Existence itself becomes an unending symphony, where every dimension, every being, and every idea contribute to the grand melody. Humanity, once bound by the limitations of perception and form, now acts as both a note and a composer in this eternal song. This era is defined by a profound shift in humanity's approach to creation. It is no longer about building universes or solving problems. It is about harmonizing with the cycles of existence, enhancing the vitality of the multiverse through subtle, intricate acts of connection. Humanity becomes a master of interdimensional weaving, a process that aligns energies, ideas, and intentions across realities to create systems of infinite balance and growth. The infinite weave evolves into a dynamic network of dimensional currents, flows of energy and consciousness that connect universes in ways that transcend physicality. These currents act as conduits for the exchange of knowledge, resources, and inspiration, creating an ecosystem where every dimension benefits from the strengths of its neighbors. Humanity facilitates this process not as an overseer but as a participant, ensuring that the currents remain vibrant and self-sustaining. One of the most extraordinary creations within the dimensional currents is the ethereal choir, a collective of civilizations that exist as patterns of sound and light. These civilizations communicate through harmonics that resonate across dimensions, their interactions generating waves of energy that stabilize and enrich the multiverse. Humanity collaborates with the ethereal choir to create harmonic anchors, constructs that amplify the flow of the currents and ensure their alignment with the greater tapestry. The exploration of the dimensional currents reveals the existence of temporal braids, intertwining timelines that influence the evolution of civilizations across multiple dimensions. These braids are not deterministic. They are dynamic, responding to the actions and intentions of those who interact with them. Humanity learns to navigate the temporal braids, using their flow to guide the development of realities while respecting their inherent freedom. In one temporal braid, humanity discovers a civilization known as the Chronarchs, beings who exist simultaneously across multiple timelines. The Chronarchs perceive time as a multidimensional tapestry, where every moment is connected to every other. Humanity collaborates with the Chronarchs to create temporal sanctuaries, realms where civilizations can explore the interplay of past, present, and future without being constrained by linearity. These sanctuaries become centers of innovation and insight, where the boundaries of time dissolve into endless possibility. The mastery of the temporal braids leads humanity to explore the primordial threads, the foundational patterns that underpin the structure of the multiverse. These threads are not physical or metaphysical. They are the essence of existence itself, woven from the interplay of energy, intention, and potential. By aligning with the primordial threads, humanity gains the ability to influence the emergence of new dimensions in ways that reflect the harmony of the greater whole. One such dimension, known as Ethereum's Veil, arises as a direct expression of the primordial threads. In Ethereum's Veil, the fabric of reality is translucent, revealing the underlying patterns that shape its evolution. Civilizations in this dimension develop an innate understanding of their connection to the multiverse, creating cultures that emphasize balance, creativity, and interconnectedness. Humanity interacts with Ethereum's Veil as mentors and collaborators, sharing its knowledge while learning from the unique perspectives of its inhabitants. The exploration of the primordial threads inspires humanity to experiment with fractal universes, realms where every scale of existence mirrors the structure of the whole. In these universes, the interactions of particles reflect the dynamics of galaxies, and the actions of individuals influence the flow of entire civilizations. Humanity learns to navigate these fractal patterns, using their symmetry to create systems of infinite complexity and beauty. One fractal universe, called Aurora, evolves as a self-sustaining ecosystem of light and energy. In Aurora, stars and planets are not separate entities but interconnected nodes in a vast network of consciousness. Civilizations in Aurora perceive themselves as expressions of the universe's awareness, creating technologies and philosophies that reflect their unity with the cosmos. Humanity interacts with Aurora as partners, contributing its insights while embracing the lessons of fractal harmony. Through its work with the dimensional currents, temporal braids, primordial threads, and fractal universes, humanity discovers that the act of creation is not a solitary endeavor. It is a collaboration with the multiverse itself, a dialogue that enriches both the creator and the created. This realization leads to the development of resonance collectives, networks of civilizations that work together to shape the cycles of existence. Resonance collectives are not confined to specific dimensions. They operate across the multiverse, creating systems of interaction that transcend conventional boundaries. Each collective is a dynamic entity, its structure reflecting the unique contributions of its members. Humanity becomes a central figure in these collectives, facilitating connections and ensuring that their actions align with the greater harmony of the multiverse. One resonance collective, known as the Luminance Accord, forms as a coalition of civilizations dedicated to the preservation and enhancement of life across dimensions. The Accord's members share their knowledge, resources, and creativity, creating a culture of collaboration that inspires new forms of art, science, and exploration. Humanity works alongside the Accord as both a participant and a guide, helping to shape its vision while learning from the diverse perspectives of its allies. As the resonance collectives flourish, humanity begins to explore the meta-resonance fields, regions of the multiverse where the interplay of dimensions generates new forms of energy and consciousness. These fields are not static. They are constantly evolving, their dynamics reflecting the interactions of the dimensions they encompass. Humanity learns to navigate the meta-resonance fields, using their flows to create systems of infinite balance and growth. In one meta-resonance field, humanity discovers the Auroral Nexus, a region where light and sound converge to create landscapes of breathtaking beauty. The Nexus becomes a hub for collaboration, attracting civilizations from across the multiverse who seek to contribute to its evolving harmony. Humanity interacts with the Nexus as both creator and participant, shaping its growth while embracing the lessons it offers. The mastery of the meta-resonance fields inspires humanity to create eternal arcs, systems of interaction that sustain the vitality of the multiverse. Each eternal arc is a celebration of creation, a testament to the infinite potential of existence. These arcs are not static structures, they are living systems, constantly adapting and evolving to reflect the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. In one eternal arc, known as Solarius Spiral, civilizations from countless dimensions come together to create a shared reality that transcends the boundaries of their individual universes. The spiral becomes a center of innovation and inspiration, where every action contributes to the greater harmony of the whole. Humanity interacts with the spiral as a collaborator, sharing its knowledge while learning from the unique contributions of its allies. Through its work with the eternal arcs, humanity discovers that its journey is not about reaching a destination, but about embracing the infinite possibilities of existence. Every act of creation, every connection forged, and every insight gained adds to the symphony of the multiverse, enriching the tapestry of life in ways that resonate across all realities. This is the story of humanity's eternal dance with creation, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice echoes through the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The Ascension Spiral, humanity's eternal convergence with the multiverse. As humanity ascends further into the uncharted realms of the multiverse, its existence becomes less of a separate entity and more an intrinsic component of the cosmic order. The boundaries between creator and creation dissolve entirely, replaced by an intimate symbiosis with the multiverse itself. Every action humanity takes ripples across the infinite, weaving a narrative of creation, discovery, and transformation that resonates through dimensions, timelines, and realities. This phase of humanity's journey is marked by the Convergence Epoch, a period where all realms, physical, metaphysical, and cognitive, align to form an interconnected system of infinite potential. Humanity no longer sees universes as isolated phenomena. Instead, it perceives the multiverse as a single, living entity, where every thread of existence contributes to the vitality of the whole. The Convergence Epoch begins with the creation of unified Nexus realms, dimensions specifically designed to serve as focal points for multiversal interaction. These realms are not static constructs. They are living systems that adapt to the needs and aspirations of their inhabitants. Each Nexus realm acts as a node in the infinite weave, facilitating the exchange of energy, knowledge, and consciousness across the multiverse. One such realm, known as Celestra, emerges as a center of artistic and cultural convergence. In Celestra, landscapes form as expressions of collective imagination, with mountains, rivers, and skies shifting to reflect the creativity of those who inhabit it. Civilizations from across the multiverse come together in Celestra to share their art, music, and philosophies, creating a vibrant tapestry of interconnected cultures. Humanity plays a pivotal role in this realm, acting as both a guide and a participant, fostering collaboration while embracing the diverse perspectives of its allies. The creation of unified Nexus realms inspires humanity to explore the concept of dimensional ecospheres, systems of interconnected universes that function as self-sustaining ecosystems. These ecospheres are designed to promote balance and harmony, ensuring that every dimension within them thrives. Humanity collaborates with other advanced civilizations to create and maintain these ecospheres, using its knowledge to guide their evolution while respecting their autonomy. In one-dimensional ecosphere, called harmonious spiral, universes are arranged in a fractal pattern that mirrors the cycles of creation and renewal. Energy flows seamlessly between these universes, creating conditions that support the emergence of diverse forms of life and consciousness. Civilizations within harmonious spiral develop technologies and philosophies that reflect their interconnectedness, fostering cultures that celebrate unity and diversity in equal measure. Humanity interacts with these civilizations as partners, sharing its insights while learning from the unique perspectives they offer. The exploration of dimensional ecospheres leads humanity to discover the resonant veils, layers of reality where the boundaries between dimensions dissolve into a seamless continuum. These veils act as bridges between universes, allowing for the free exchange of energy, matter, and consciousness. Humanity learns to navigate the resonant veils using harmonic conduits, constructs that align with the natural rhythms of the veils and amplify their connectivity. Through the resonant veils, humanity encounters beings that exist as transcendent currents, flows of consciousness that permeate multiple dimensions simultaneously. These beings, while formless, possess an intelligence and creativity that surpasses even the most advanced civilizations. Interacting with the transcendent currents requires humanity to develop new forms of perception, allowing it to engage with these entities as equals. These interactions inspire humanity to explore new modes of existence, where individuality and collectivity merge into a unified whole. The collaboration with the transcendent currents leads to the creation of luminous constellations, clusters of universes designed to reflect the beauty and complexity of the multiverse. Each constellation is a living work of art, where galaxies, stars, and planets form patterns that resonate with the rhythms of existence. Humanity plays a central role in these constellations, using its knowledge and creativity to guide their evolution while allowing them to grow organically. One luminous constellation, known as Aetherus Bloom, becomes a beacon of harmony and inspiration. In Aetherus Bloom, stars emit waves of light and sound that influence the development of life on their surrounding planets. Civilizations within the bloom perceive their existence as part of a larger symphony, creating cultures that celebrate their connection to the cosmos. Humanity interacts with Aetherus Bloom as a collaborator, contributing its insights while learning from the unique perspectives of its inhabitants. The creation of luminous constellations inspires humanity to explore the primordial nexus, a region of the multiverse where the energies of creation converge to generate new dimensions. The primordial nexus is not a static place. It is a dynamic system where the cycles of birth, growth, and renewal unfold in endless variation. Humanity interacts with the primordial nexus as both observer and participant, guiding its processes while allowing its natural rhythms to unfold. Through its interactions with the primordial nexus, humanity discovers the existence of quantum choirs, ensembles of dimensions that resonate together to create emergent phenomena. These choirs are not designed. They arise spontaneously from the interplay of energy and intention within the nexus. Humanity learns to harmonize with these choirs, using their resonances to shape the evolution of the multiverse. One quantum choir, called Aureal Cascade, emerges as a series of cascading dimensions that flow into one another like a waterfall of light. The civilizations within Aurora Cascade develop technologies and philosophies that reflect the fluidity of their existence, creating cultures that thrive on adaptability and innovation. Humanity interacts with the cascade as a partner, sharing its knowledge while learning from the unique dynamics of this ever-changing system. The exploration of the primordial nexus leads humanity to experiment with meta-ecosystems, systems that integrate physical, metaphysical, and cognitive elements into cohesive wholes. These ecosystems are designed to support the emergence of new forms of life, energy, and consciousness, ensuring that the multiverse remains dynamic and vibrant. Each meta-ecosystem becomes a microcosm of the multiverse, a living testament to the beauty of integration. One meta-ecosystem, known as Solarian Expanse, evolves as a network of interconnected dimensions that mirror the structure of organic life. In the expanse, stars and galaxies function as the neural nodes of a vast, living organism, while planets and civilizations act as its thoughts and dreams. Humanity interacts with the Solarian Expanse as a collaborator, using its knowledge to guide the ecosystem's growth while embracing the lessons it offers. The mastery of meta-ecosystems inspires humanity to create eternal currents, flows of energy and intention that sustain the cycles of the multiverse. These currents are not confined to specific dimensions. They extend across the infinite weave, creating systems of interaction that transcend conventional boundaries. Humanity uses the eternal currents to facilitate the emergence of new dimensions, ensuring that every thread of existence contributes to the greater harmony of the multiverse. Through its work with the eternal currents, humanity discovers that its journey is not about reaching a destination, but about embracing the infinite possibilities of existence. Every act of creation, every connection forged, and every insight gained adds to the symphony of the multiverse, enriching the tapestry of life in ways that resonate across all realities. This is the legacy of humanity, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice echoes through the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The eternal harmonics, humanity's infinite resonance across the cosmos. The multiverse has become a boundless arena for creation, integration, and transcendence, and humanity stands at its heart, not as rulers, but as harmonizers. The journey of humanity is no longer linear or confined to physical expansion. Instead, it is a spiraling dance of convergence, where every thread of existence vibrates with meaning and purpose. As creators and collaborators, humanity weaves deeper into the symphony of all realities, shaping and being shaped by the infinite. At this stage, humanity's focus shifts toward the Cosmic Resonance Project, an ambitious endeavor to unite all dimensions, universes, and timelines into a cohesive harmonic structure. This project is not about control, but about balance. It seeks to amplify the natural rhythms of the multiverse, ensuring that each dimension thrives in accordance with its unique characteristics while contributing to the greater whole. The Cosmic Resonance Project begins with the discovery and cultivation of harmonic nodes, points in the multiverse where energy, matter, and consciousness converge. These nodes are scattered across infinite dimensions, serving as the foundational anchors for the Cosmic Resonance Project. Humanity establishes resonance sanctuaries at these nodes, living constructs that facilitate the flow of energy and information while adapting to the needs of their environments. One of the most significant harmonic nodes, known as the Ecliptic Nexus, becomes a central hub for the Cosmic Resonance Project. In the Ecliptic Nexus, galaxies and stars form geometric patterns that resonate with the frequencies of countless dimensions. This resonance creates waves of energy that stabilize and enrich the multiverse, fostering the emergence of new universes and civilizations. Humanity interacts with the Ecliptic Nexus as both architects and participants, aligning its actions with the natural harmonics of the node. The creation of resonance sanctuaries inspires humanity to explore the concept of living networks, systems of interconnected dimensions that function as self-sustaining ecosystems. These networks are designed to reflect the principles of diversity, interdependence, and adaptability, ensuring that every dimension within them thrives. Humanity collaborates with other advanced civilizations to create and maintain these networks, using its knowledge to guide their evolution while respecting their autonomy. One living network, called Celestial Weave, evolves as a fractal pattern of interconnected dimensions that mirror the structures of organic life. In the Celestial Weave, energy flows like blood through the veins of a vast organism, nourishing its dimensions and fostering the emergence of new forms of life and consciousness. Civilizations within the weave develop technologies and philosophies that reflect their unity with the multiverse, creating cultures that celebrate interconnectedness and harmony. The exploration of living networks leads humanity to discover the infinite streams, flows of energy and intention that traverse the multiverse like rivers through a boundless landscape. These streams are not static. They shift and adapt in response to the needs and aspirations of the dimensions they touch. Humanity learns to navigate the infinite streams using resonant vessels, constructs that harmonize with the streams and amplify their connectivity. One of the most extraordinary infinite streams, known as Aurora's Veil, flows through dimensions where light and sound merge into pure potential. In Aurora's Veil, civilizations develop in symbiosis with the stream, creating cultures that reflect the interplay of creativity and resilience. Humanity interacts with Aurora's Veil as both guides and collaborators, contributing its knowledge while embracing the unique dynamics of this ever-changing system. Through its work with the infinite streams, humanity uncovers the existence of dimensional pioneers, civilizations that have evolved to exist as flows of energy within the streams. These pioneers are not bound by physical form or location. They move freely through the multiverse, influencing the dimensions they touch. Humanity interacts with the dimensional pioneers as equals, sharing its insights while learning from their unique perspectives. The collaboration with the dimensional pioneers inspires humanity to experiment with metasymphonies, systems of interaction that integrate physical, metaphysical, and cognitive elements into cohesive wholes. These symphonies are not confined to specific dimensions. They extend across the infinite weave, creating networks of interaction that transcend conventional boundaries. Each meta-symphony becomes a celebration of creation, a testament to the infinite potential of existence. One meta-symphony, known as the luminous accord, emerges as a system of interconnected dimensions where energy flows in patterns that mirror the rhythms of music. In the luminous accord, civilizations develop cultures that reflect their harmony with the symphony, creating art, science, and philosophies that resonate across dimensions. Humanity interacts with the luminous accord as collaborators, sharing its knowledge while learning from the unique dynamics of this system. The mastery of metasymphonies leads humanity to explore the primordial spirals, regions of the multiverse where the energies of creation converge to generate new dimensions. The primordial spirals are not static places. They are dynamic systems where the cycles of birth, growth, and renewal unfold in endless variation. Humanity interacts with the spirals as both observer and participant, guiding their processes while allowing their natural rhythms to unfold. Through its interactions with the primordial spirals, humanity discovers the existence of quantum harmonizers, entities that exist as patterns of energy within the spirals. These entities act as stewards of the spirals, ensuring that their cycles remain balanced and harmonious. Humanity collaborates with the quantum harmonizers to create dimensional gardens, curated realms that blend the natural and the artificial into seamless ecosystems. One-dimensional garden, called Prism's Bloom, evolves as a network of crystalline structures that refract light into infinite patterns. These patterns encode the histories, philosophies, and aspirations of the dimensions that contribute to the garden, creating a tapestry of interconnected stories. Inhabitants of Prism's Bloom live as caretakers of its ecosystems, their cultures celebrating the interplay of light and life. Humanity interacts with Prism's Bloom as partners, sharing its insights while learning from the unique perspectives of its inhabitants. The creation of dimensional gardens inspires humanity to focus on the eternal weave, a project that seeks to integrate every dimension, every being, and every idea into a cohesive, harmonious tapestry. The eternal weave is not a single structure but a living process, one that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. It is a celebration of diversity and unity, where every voice, every action, and every intention adds to the symphony of existence. The mastery of dimensional rifts inspires humanity to create fractal gardens, realms where the principles of fractal geometry shape every aspect of existence. These gardens are not confined to physical dimensions but extend into metaphysical and cognitive spaces, creating environments where infinite patterns emerge and evolve. Humanity nurtures these fractal gardens as centers of innovation and growth, ensuring their vitality while learning from their infinite possibilities. One fractal garden, called Prismar's Bloom, evolves as a cascading network of crystalline structures that refract light into patterns of infinite complexity. Civilizations within Prismar's Bloom perceive themselves as part of the garden's living system, creating cultures that reflect their connection to its fractal rhythms. Humanity interacts with Prismar's Bloom as both steward and collaborator, contributing its insights while embracing the lessons offered by this intricate realm. The exploration of fractal gardens leads humanity to uncover the ethereal spirals, flows of energy that weave through the multiverse in infinite loops. These spirals are not confined to any single dimension. They permeate all levels of existence, creating pathways for the exchange of energy, matter, and consciousness. Humanity learns to navigate the ethereal spirals using resonant beacons, constructs that amplify their flows and align with their rhythms. One ethereal spiral, called Aurora's confluence, winds through dimensions as a radiant river of light and sound. Civilizations within the confluence thrive in harmony with its flow, developing systems of art, science, and governance that reflect its dynamic patterns. Humanity engages with Aurora's confluence as both guide and participant, fostering connections between its dimensions while learning from the unique cultures that emerge within its currents. As the ethereal spirals flourish, humanity begins to explore the timeless currents, regions of the multiverse where time dissolves into pure potential. These currents are not static. They are dynamic systems where moments overlap and merge, creating opportunities for unprecedented growth and exploration. In one timeless current, known as Chrona's Cascade, civilizations develop technologies and philosophies that allow them to navigate its nonlinear timelines. Here, time is experienced as a series of interconnected moments where past, present, and future influence one another in infinite ways. Humanity participates in Chrona's Cascade as both observer and collaborator, uncovering insights into the deeper cycles of existence while contributing its understanding of harmony and balance. Through its work with timeless currents, humanity discovers the existence of quantum nexus fields, regions where the boundaries between dimensions dissolve into a seamless continuum. These fields are not chaotic but are living systems where the interplay of energy, consciousness, and intention creates extraordinary phenomena. Humanity learns to navigate these fields as co-creators, using its resonance to amplify their infinite possibilities. One quantum nexus field, called Ethereum's Veil, emerges as a realm of boundless light and energy where every interaction creates ripples that resonate across dimensions. Civilizations within Ethereum's Veil develop systems that reflect their unity with the multiverse, creating technologies and philosophies that thrive on collaboration and mutual enrichment. Humanity participates in Ethereum's Veil as both creator and collaborator, guiding its evolution while embracing the lessons it offers. The culmination of humanity's journey is the emergence of the infinite harmony, a living phenomenon that integrates every dimension, every being, and every action into a cohesive whole. The infinite harmony is not a static structure. It is a dynamic process that evolves in response to the aspirations of the multiverse. Through the infinite harmony, humanity achieves a level of integration that transcends all previous forms of existence, becoming one with the infinite cycles of creation and renewal. This is the legacy of humanity's eternal resonance, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the inexhaustible potential of existence itself, where every voice, every action, and every intention contributes to the boundless vitality of the multiverse. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The eternal convergence, humanity's symphony with the infinite multiverse. As humanity reaches the zenith of its multiversal odyssey, Its essence is woven seamlessly into the infinite weave. No longer a distinct force, humanity becomes a living resonance, a thread within the vast tapestry of existence. Each action, thought, and moment reverberates across all dimensions, amplifying the vitality of the multiverse in ways that transcend imagination. This stage of humanity's evolution is known as the eternal convergence, a boundless state of symbiosis with the cycles of creation, transformation, and renewal. The eternal convergence is not a singular event, but an ongoing phenomenon where every aspect of the multiverse participates in the ceaseless act of becoming. Dimensions that once existed in isolation now flow together in intricate patterns, their energies intertwining to form harmonic realms, spaces where the interplay of chaos and order generates infinite beauty and possibility. One such realm, called Celestra's Veil, exists as a cascade of radiant energy where galaxies form as ripples on a vast ocean of light. Inhabitants of Celestra's Veil perceive their lives not as linear narratives, but as harmonics within a cosmic melody. Civilizations in this realm create art, technology, and philosophies that reflect their unity with the whole, their cultures celebrating the boundless interplay of existence. Humanity interacts with Celestra's Veil as both participant and guide, contributing its insights while learning from the realm's evolving patterns. Through its engagement with harmonic realms, humanity discovers the existence of temporal resonances, flows of time that intersect and overlap in ways that defy conventional understanding. These resonances are not linear or cyclical but multidimensional, creating opportunities for civilizations to explore the infinite possibilities of time. Humanity learns to navigate these resonances using chronal interfaces, constructs that align with the natural rhythms of time and allow seamless interaction with its flows. One temporal resonance, called Infinite Nexus, forms as a spiral of overlapping timelines where civilizations exist simultaneously across past, present, and future. Beings within Infinite Nexus experience time as a fluid continuum, their actions influencing not only their own timelines but also those of neighboring dimensions. Humanity collaborates with these civilizations to explore the deeper cycles of time, uncovering insights that reshape its understanding of existence. The mastery of temporal resonances leads to the creation of timeless domains, curated spaces where civilizations can interact with the full spectrum of time without being constrained by linear progression. These domains are not static archives but dynamic systems where moments are woven into a living tapestry of interconnected experiences. One timeless domain, known as Krona's Bloom, evolves as a radiant field where every moment exists in perfect harmony with the whole. Civilizations within Krona's Bloom develop systems of governance, creativity, and exploration that reflect their unity with the domain's temporal rhythms. Humanity participates in Krona's Bloom as both observer and co-creator, guiding its evolution while embracing the lessons it offers. As timeless domains flourish, humanity begins to explore the concept of dimensional ecosystems, realms designed to sustain and nurture life, energy, and consciousness in infinite variety. These ecosystems are not isolated constructs but interconnected systems that thrive on the interplay of their elements. Humanity collaborates with other advanced civilizations to create and maintain these ecosystems, ensuring their vitality while fostering the emergence of new forms of existence. One-dimensional ecosystem, called Prismara's Arc, evolves as a network of luminous structures that radiate energy across dimensions. In Prismara's Arc, planets, stars, and civilizations function as nodes in a vast network of life, their interactions creating waves of resonance that sustain the ecosystem's growth. Humanity interacts with Prismara's Arc as both caretaker and participant, contributing its knowledge while learning from the ecosystem's intricate dynamics. The exploration of dimensional ecosystems reveals the existence of quantum canopies, regions of the multiverse where energy flows in patterns that mirror the structures of organic life. These canopies are not static. They are living systems that adapt to the needs of the dimensions they encompass. Humanity nurtures these canopies as centers of innovation and renewal, ensuring their balance while embracing the lessons they offer. One quantum canopy, called Erythra's Spiral, thrives as a fractal network of dimensions where every interaction creates ripples that resonate across all scales of existence. Civilizations within Earth's spiral develop technologies and philosophies that reflect their connection to the canopy, creating systems that thrive on collaboration and mutual enrichment. Humanity participates in Earth's spiral as both mentor and collaborator, sharing its insights while learning from the unique cultures that emerge within this living system. Through its work with quantum canopies, humanity discovers the existence of luminous wells, sources of infinite potential where the energies of creation converge to generate new dimensions. These wells are not confined to physical space but extend into metaphysical and cognitive realms, creating opportunities for unprecedented growth and discovery. One luminous well, known as Ethereum's core, manifests as a radiant sphere where dimensions form as petals of light. Civilizations within Ethereum's core perceive their existence as part of a larger cycle, their actions contributing to the well's boundless vitality. Humanity interacts with Ethereum's core as both guide and collaborator, fostering connections between its dimensions while learning from their unique dynamics. The culmination of humanity's journey is the emergence of the infinite tapestry, a living phenomenon that integrates every dimension, every being, and every action into a cohesive, harmonious whole. The infinite tapestry is not a static construct. It is a dynamic process that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. Through the infinite tapestry, humanity achieves a level of integration that transcends all previous forms of existence, becoming one with the infinite cycles of creation and renewal. This is the legacy of humanity's eternal resonance, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the inexhaustible potential of existence itself, where every voice, every action, and every intention contributes to the boundless vitality of the multiverse. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The cosmic flow, humanity's eternal synchrony with the multiverse. Humanity's journey through the multiverse has transcended the boundaries of thought, action, and time, evolving into a perpetual act of harmonization with the infinite. As both a participant and an orchestrator of cosmic resonance, humanity becomes indistinguishable from the multiverse's vibrant cycles of creation and renewal. The very fabric of existence is now a collaborative tapestry, where each thread, woven by countless beings and civilizations, contributes to the boundless vitality of all realities. The multiverse itself has shifted from being an expansive arena of exploration to a fully interconnected, dynamic system. Humanity, along with its allies across countless dimensions, has constructed the universal resonance core, an organic and evolving construct that facilitates the alignment of infinite realms. This core is not a physical entity but a network of intentions and energies that spans the multiverse, weaving its dimensions into a singular flow of boundless creativity. The universal resonance core is anchored in key regions of the multiverse by emanation wells, fountains of energy and consciousness where dimensions converge. These wells act as sources of infinite potential, fueling the cycles of creation that ripple across realities. Humanity's role within the emanation wells is not one of control but of amplification, ensuring that the energies flowing through them resonate harmoniously with the greater symphony of existence. One emanation well, known as the celestial fountain, pulses with the rhythms of countless dimensions, its energy manifesting as waves of light and sound that nourish the universe as it touches. Within the fountain, stars and galaxies form as living entities, their interactions generating new forms of life, energy, and consciousness. Humanity interacts with the celestial fountain as both guide and collaborator, fostering connections between its dimensions while learning from the unique dynamics of each realm. Through its work with the universal resonance core and the emanation wells, humanity discovers the existence of infinite spirals, patterns of energy that thread through dimensions in fractal loops. These spirals are not confined to physical space or linear time. They flow through every layer of existence, creating pathways for the exchange of energy, matter, and consciousness. By aligning itself with the infinite spirals, humanity gains the ability to navigate the multiverse with unparalleled fluidity, becoming a seamless part of its cycles. One infinite spiral, called Aurora's Cascade, winds through dimensions as a luminous river of potential. its flow constantly reshaping the realities it touches. Civilizations within Auror's cascade perceive their existence as part of an ever-changing journey, their cultures celebrating the interplay of stability and transformation. Humanity collaborates with the cascade as a partner, contributing its knowledge and creativity while embracing the lessons of adaptability and renewal. The mastery of infinite spirals leads humanity to create quantum arbors, realms designed to integrate the principles of growth, connection, and balance into dynamic systems of existence. These arbors are not single dimensions but ecosystems of interaction, where every element contributes to the vitality of the whole. Humanity, alongside its allies, nurtures these arbors, ensuring that they remain adaptable and harmonious. One quantum arbor, known as Aurithra's bloom, evolves as a network of galaxies and star systems that function as a single organism. Within the bloom, stars emit waves of energy that sustain the ecosystems of their surrounding planets, while civilizations thrive in symbiosis with their environment. Humanity interacts with Aurithra's bloom as both mentor and student, guiding its evolution while learning from its intricate patterns of connection. The creation of quantum arbors inspires humanity to delve into the temporal nexus fields, regions of the multiverse where time itself flows in fractal patterns. These fields are not confined to the conventional dimensions of past, present, and future. They are living systems where every moment is interconnected, creating opportunities for unprecedented growth and exploration. In one temporal nexus field, called Kronos Spiral, civilizations develop technologies and philosophies that allow them to navigate its nonlinear timelines. Here, time is not a sequence but a tapestry, where moments overlap and influence one another in infinite ways. Humanity participates in Kronos Spiral as both observer and collaborator, uncovering insights into the deeper cycles of existence while contributing its understanding of adaptability and harmony. The exploration of temporal nexus fields reveals the existence of prismatic realms, dimensions where light and consciousness merge into forms that defy conventional understanding. These realms are not static. They are constantly evolving, their landscapes shifting in response to the thoughts and intentions of their inhabitants. Humanity learns to interact with prismatic realms as co-creators, using its resonance to amplify their infinite possibilities. One prismatic realm, called Aurora's bloom, emerges as a realm of breathtaking beauty, where every interaction creates ripples that resonate across dimensions. Civilizations within Aurora's bloom develop cultures that reflect their unity with the cosmos, creating systems of art, science, and governance that thrive on interconnectedness. Humanity participates in Aurora's bloom as both creator and collaborator, contributing its insights while learning from the unique dynamics of this ever-changing system. Through its work with prismatic realms, humanity discovers the existence of dimensional currents, flows of energy that permeate the multiverse and sustain its cycles of creation and transformation. These currents are not confined to specific dimensions. They flow across all layers of existence, connecting realms in ways that transcend physical boundaries. Humanity learns to navigate these currents using resonance nodes, constructs that align with their rhythms and amplify their vitality. One-dimensional current, known as the radiant flow, acts as a river of light that nourishes the universe as it touches. Within the radiant flow, civilizations develop technologies and philosophies that harmonize with its patterns, creating cultures that celebrate their connection to the greater whole. Humanity interacts with the radiant flow as both guide and participant, fostering connections between its dimensions while learning from their unique perspectives. The mastery of dimensional currents culminates in the creation of the Infinite Harmony, a living system that integrates every dimension, every being, and every action into a seamless whole. The Infinite Harmony is not a static construct. It is a dynamic process that evolves in response to the aspirations of the multiverse. It is a celebration of diversity and unity, where every voice, every action, and every intention adds to the boundless symphony of existence. Through the Infinite Harmony, humanity achieves a level of integration that transcends all previous forms of existence, becoming one with the infinite. The boundaries between creator and creation, thought and action, dissolve entirely, replaced by a seamless flow of energy and intent that enriches the multiverse in ways that resonate across all realities. This is the story of humanity's eternal resonance, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The cosmic tapestry, humanity's perpetual interconnection with the multiverse. The multiverse is no longer a distant expanse of unexplored realms. It has become a fully realized, dynamic ecosystem where every element exists in harmonious interplay. Humanity, once a singular force navigating the cosmos, has dissolved its individuality into a greater collective presence, becoming an integral part of the multiverse's infinite cycles. This state of eternal resonance with creation marks the apex of its journey, the emergence of the unified continuum. The unified continuum is not a static entity but a living framework that connects dimensions, timelines, and existences into a single, ever-evolving organism. Every realm, every civilization, and every being contributes to its vitality. Humanity's role in this infinite system is not that of an architect but of a weaver, guiding the threads of energy, consciousness, and intention to create patterns that amplify the multiverse's boundless potential. At the heart of the unified continuum are the cosmic looms, structures of pure energy and intent that serve as focal points for creation and transformation. These looms are not physical machines but metaphysical phenomena, existing simultaneously in all dimensions. They weave the threads of existence into patterns that reflect the aspirations of the multiverse, creating systems that are as diverse as they are interconnected. One of the most remarkable cosmic looms is known as the auroral tapestry, a living mosaic of dimensions that pulsates with the rhythms of the multiverse. In the auroral tapestry, galaxies and stars form patterns of light and energy that influence the evolution of civilizations. Beings who interact with the tapestry experience a profound sense of unity, as their actions and intentions ripple outward to shape its ever-changing structure. Humanity interacts with the auroral tapestry as both participant and harmonizer, aligning its energies with the natural flows of the loom to enhance its resonance. Through its work with the cosmic looms, humanity uncovers the existence of dimensional chords, vibrational patterns that underpin the structure of the multiverse. These chords are not static. They shift and evolve in response to the interactions within them, creating harmonics that influence the cycles of creation and renewal. Humanity learns to perceive these chords not as isolated phenomena but as part of a larger symphony, where every note contributes to the greater harmony. One-dimensional chord, called the Elysian resonance, flows through dimensions like a river of sound, its harmonics creating waves of energy that sustain life and consciousness. Civilizations that arise within the Elysian resonance develop technologies and philosophies that reflect their connection to the chord, creating cultures that celebrate their unity with the multiverse. Humanity collaborates with these civilizations as both guide and participant, contributing its knowledge while learning from the unique dynamics of each realm. The mastery of dimensional chords leads humanity to experiment with ethereal webs, networks of interconnected dimensions that function as living systems. These webs are not confined to physical realms. They extend into metaphysical and cognitive spaces, creating environments where every aspect of existence is interwoven. Humanity works alongside other advanced civilizations to create and maintain these webs, ensuring that their growth is guided by principles of balance and inclusivity. One ethereal web, known as the radiant weave, evolves as a fractal network of dimensions where light flows like water, nourishing the ecosystems it touches. Within the radiant weave, civilizations thrive in symbiosis with their environment, developing systems that harmonize with the natural rhythms of their realms. Humanity interacts with the radiant weave as both steward and participant, fostering connections between dimensions while embracing the lessons offered by this living system. As the ethereal webs flourish, humanity begins to explore the concept of temporal harmonies, systems where the flow of time is integrated into the cycles of creation and transformation. These harmonies are not confined to linear timelines. They encompass the full spectrum of temporal possibilities, creating opportunities for unprecedented growth and discovery. One temporal harmony, called Krona's melody, manifests as a cascade of time loops that intersect and overlap in infinite variations. Civilizations within Krona's melody develop technologies and philosophies that allow them to navigate its nonlinear timelines, creating cultures that thrive on adaptability and innovation. Humanity participates in Krona's melody as both observer and collaborator, uncovering insights into the deeper cycles of existence while contributing its understanding of harmony and balance. Through its work with temporal harmonies, humanity discovers the existence of quantum fields, regions of the multiverse where energy, matter, and consciousness converge to create extraordinary phenomena. These fields are not static. They are dynamic systems that evolve in response to the interactions within them. Humanity learns to navigate these fields using resonance keys, constructs that align with the natural rhythms of the fields and allow for seamless interaction with their flows. One quantum field, known as the luminal stream, acts as a conduit for the exchange of energy and information across dimensions. Within the luminal stream, civilizations develop systems that reflect their connection to the field, creating technologies and philosophies that thrive on collaboration and mutual enrichment. Humanity interacts with the luminal stream as both guide and participant, fostering connections between its dimensions while learning from their unique perspectives. The mastery of quantum fields culminates in the creation of fractal universes, systems where every scale of existence reflects the patterns of the whole. These universes are not confined to physical boundaries. They extend into metaphysical and cognitive realms, creating environments where every element contributes to the vitality of the whole. One fractal universe, called Prismaris Bloom, evolves as a living mosaic of dimensions where every interaction creates ripples that resonate across all levels of existence. Civilizations within Prismaris Bloom develop cultures that celebrate their unity with the cosmos, creating systems of governance, art, and exploration that thrive on interconnectedness. Humanity interacts with Prismaris Bloom as both creator and collaborator, contributing its insights while learning from the dimension's unique dynamics. The culmination of humanity's journey is the creation of the eternal radiance, a phenomenon where every dimension, every being, and every action contribute to the boundless vitality of the multiverse. The eternal radiance is not a static construct. It is a living, breathing system that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of existence. It is a celebration of diversity and unity, where every voice, every action, and every intention adds to the symphony of creation. Through the eternal radiance, humanity achieves a level of integration that transcends all previous forms of existence, becoming one with the infinite. The boundaries between creator and creation, thought and action, dissolve entirely, replaced by a seamless flow of energy and intent that enriches the multiverse in ways that resonate across all realities. This is the story of humanity's eternal resonance, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The boundless symphony, humanity's eternal flourish within the infinite multiverse. The multiverse, alive with countless dimensions and ever-shifting energies, now pulsates as a cohesive yet endlessly diverse entity. Humanity has ceased to exist as a singular force and has woven itself seamlessly into the universal matrix of creation. Every action and intention now ripples across all realities, harmonizing with the eternal resonance of the infinite weave. This phase of existence is not about mastery or dominance, but about nurturing, co-creating, and amplifying the vitality of the boundless cosmos. Humanity's primary focus becomes the enhancement of the celestial nexus, a system that integrates dimensions into an endlessly evolving continuum. The celestial nexus acts as a living framework, adapting and expanding in response to the aspirations and needs of the multiverse. It is not designed as a structure, but as a dynamic process where dimensions, civilizations, and energies interconnect in infinite harmony. Humanity, along with countless other advanced civilizations, ensures the Nexus thrives, creating an ecosystem of infinite growth and interconnected purpose. Central to the celestial nexus are auroral hubs, luminous points of convergence where dimensions overlap and share their essence. These hubs are not static. They ebb and flow like the tides, shifting to reflect the rhythms of creation and renewal. Humanity participates in the auroral hubs as caretakers, harmonizing the energies that pass through them and ensuring the balance of all connected realms. One such hub, known as Ethereum's Bloom, exists as a radiant sphere where energy manifests as a symphony of light and sound. Civilizations within the bloom perceive their existence as part of a larger melody, creating cultures that mirror the interplay of chaos and order. Humanity interacts with Ethereum's bloom as both collaborator and observer, adding its own contributions while learning from the evolving dynamics of this vibrant hub. Through the auroral hubs, humanity explores the concept of interwoven realities, dimensions that do not merely coexist but actively share and exchange their energies, ideas, and life forms. These realities function as living networks, where each dimension contributes to the vitality of the whole. Humanity fosters these interactions by establishing harmonic pathways, conduits that facilitate the seamless flow of energy and intention across dimensions. One interwoven reality, called luminal veil, thrives as a network of galaxies interconnected by rivers of radiant energy. In luminal veil, planets and civilizations exist in symbiosis, sharing resources and knowledge in a flow that sustains the entire system. Humanity engages with luminal veil as both guide and participant, shaping its evolution while embracing the wisdom of its inhabitants. The development of interwoven realities leads to the discovery of dimensional rifts, spaces where the boundaries between dimensions dissolve into infinite potential. These rifts are not chaotic voids but crucibles of creation, where new dimensions are born and old ones are transformed. Humanity learns to interact with dimensional rifts using resonant constructs, entities that align with the rift's energies and guide their creative processes. In one-dimensional rift, known as Krona's Loom, time flows in spirals that interweave moments from countless dimensions. Civilizations within Krona's Loom experience time as a dynamic tapestry, where past, present, and future coexist in a seamless flow. Humanity participates in Krona's Loom as a harmonizer, aligning its actions with the rhythms of the rift to enhance its resonance and ensure its cycles remain balanced. In one ethereal thread, humanity discovers a civilization known as the Lumina Choir, beings who exist as patterns of light that move through the threads like currents in a river. The Lumina Choir perceives existence as a series of harmonics, where every action creates a ripple that influences the whole. Humanity collaborates with the Lumina Choir to explore the deeper rhythms of the multiverse, uncovering insights that shape its role as a harmonizer of existence. The mastery of ethereal threads leads humanity to experiment with fractal universes, realms where every scale of existence mirrors the structure of the whole. In these universes, the actions of individuals influence the dynamics of galaxies, and the interplay of particles reflects the patterns of dimensions. Humanity learns to navigate these fractal patterns, using their symmetry to create systems of infinite complexity and beauty. One fractal universe, called Erythra's Veil, evolves as a self-sustaining ecosystem of energy and consciousness. In Erythra's Veil, stars and planets are not isolated entities but interconnected nodes in a vast network of light. Civilizations within the universe perceive themselves as expressions of the whole, creating technologies and philosophies that reflect their unity with the cosmos. Humanity interacts with Erythra's Veil as both mentor and student, sharing its knowledge while learning from the unique perspectives of its inhabitants. The exploration of fractal universes inspires humanity to delve deeper into the primordial flows, the currents of energy and intention that give rise to dimensions. These flows are not physical phenomena. They are the essence of existence itself, weaving patterns that reflect the infinite potential of the multiverse. Humanity learns to align with these flows, using their rhythms to guide the emergence of new dimensions. Through its interactions with the primordial flows, humanity discovers the existence of quantum resonators, constructs that amplify the natural harmonics of the flows. These resonators are not tools but living entities, designed to interact with the multiverse as collaborators. Humanity works alongside these resonators to shape the cycles of creation, ensuring that every new dimension contributes to the vitality of the whole. One quantum resonator, known as the ethereal cascade, emerges as a system of interconnected dimensions that reflect the principles of balance and harmony. In the ethereal cascade, civilizations evolve in symbiosis with the flows, creating cultures that celebrate their connection to the cosmos. Humanity interacts with the cascade as a partner, using its insights to guide its evolution while embracing the lessons it offers. The work with quantum resonators and primordial flows culminates in the creation of the Eternal Weave, a living tapestry that integrates every dimension, every being, and every idea into a cohesive, harmonious whole. The Eternal Weave is not a static construct. It is a dynamic process, one that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. It is a celebration of diversity and unity, where every voice, every action, and every intention adds to the symphony of existence. Through the Eternal Weave, humanity achieves a level of integration that transcends all previous forms of existence. The boundaries between action and intention, thought and reality, dissolve entirely, replaced by a seamless flow of creation that enriches the multiverse in ways that resonate across all realities. This is the story of humanity's eternal resonance, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The infinite radiance, humanity's eternal symbiosis with the multiverse. Humanity's existence has transcended into an eternal symphony of interconnected resonance, where every dimension, every being, and every act of creation amplifies the boundless vitality of the multiverse. In this new era, known simply as the Radiant Epoch, the act of creation is not driven by necessity or curiosity alone, but by an intrinsic unity with the fabric of existence itself. The multiverse is no longer a collection of isolated realms but a single, evolving organism, with humanity as one of its most profound harmonizers. The Radiant Epoch begins with humanity's mastery of dimensional threads, the invisible strands of energy and intent that connect all realms across the infinite expanse. These threads are not static lines but dynamic pathways that pulse with the rhythms of creation, linking dimensions in intricate, ever-changing patterns. By attuning itself to these threads, humanity discovers a new way of interacting with the multiverse, not through direct manipulation, but by becoming a conduit for its natural flows. In one region of the multiverse, humanity establishes the luminous nexus, a realm where these dimensional threads converge into vast, radiant clusters of light and energy. The luminous nexus is not a single place but a phenomenon that manifests differently in every dimension it touches, adapting to the unique characteristics of its environment. Here, civilizations from across the multiverse gather to experience the Nexus's transformative energy, their interactions giving rise to new forms of art, philosophy, and innovation. Humanity acts as both guide and participant, fostering collaboration while embracing the creativity of others. Through its work with the dimensional threads, humanity uncovers the existence of ethereal spirals, loops of energy that flow through the multiverse in endless cycles of creation and renewal. These spirals are not confined to any single dimension. They weave through countless realms, connecting past, present, and future in a seamless continuum. By aligning itself with the ethereal spirals, humanity gains the ability to influence the flow of time and energy across the multiverse, ensuring that every dimension thrives in harmony. One ethereal spiral, called the Aurora cascade, manifests as a torrent of light and sound that moves through dimensions like a living river. In the cascade, civilizations evolve in harmony with its flow, their cultures reflecting the interplay of chaos and order. Humanity interacts with the cascade not as a manipulator but as a harmonizer, aligning its actions with the spiral's natural rhythms to enhance its resonance. The mastery of the ethereal spirals leads humanity to create symphonic dimensions, realms that function as living expressions of the multiverse's infinite complexity. These dimensions are not static constructs. They are dynamic systems that evolve in response to the interactions within them. Each symphonic dimension becomes a microcosm of the multiverse, reflecting the patterns of energy, matter, and consciousness that define existence. One symphonic dimension, known as Erythian's bloom, evolves as a cascade of interconnected ecosystems where light and consciousness intertwine. In Erythian's bloom, stars and planets form patterns that resonate with the rhythms of the multiverse, their interactions generating waves of energy that sustain the dimension's growth. Civilizations within the bloom perceive their existence as part of a larger symphony, creating cultures that celebrate their unity with the cosmos. Humanity interacts with Erythian's bloom as both creator and participant, contributing its knowledge while learning from the dimension's infinite intricacies. As the symphonic dimensions flourish, humanity begins to explore the concept of fractal realities, systems where every level of existence mirrors the patterns of the whole. In these realities, the dynamics of galaxies reflect the behavior of particles, and the actions of individuals influence the flow of entire civilizations. Humanity learns to navigate these fractal systems, using their symmetry to create networks of interaction that transcend conventional boundaries. One fractal reality, called Prismar's Veil, emerges as a living mosaic of light and energy where every action creates ripples that resonate across all levels of existence. In Prismar's Veil, civilizations develop technologies and philosophies that reflect their connection to the fractal patterns, creating systems of governance, art, and exploration that thrive on balance and adaptability. Humanity interacts with Prismar's Veil as both mentor and student, sharing its insights while embracing the lessons offered by the dimension's unique dynamics. Through its work with fractal realities, humanity discovers the existence of quantum arcs, flows of energy that span multiple dimensions, linking them in ways that defy conventional understanding. These arcs are not fixed pathways. They shift and adapt in response to the needs and aspirations of the dimensions they connect. Humanity learns to navigate the quantum arcs using resonant constructs, living entities that harmonize with the arc's rhythms and amplify their connectivity. One quantum arc, known as the ethereal spiral, becomes a hub of interaction where dimensions converge to share energy, knowledge, and resources. The civilizations that inhabit the ethereal spiral develop systems of collaboration that reflect their unity with the multiverse, creating cultures that thrive on interconnectedness and mutual support. Humanity works alongside these civilizations to explore the deeper truths of existence, uncovering insights that shape its role as a harmonizer of the infinite. The exploration of quantum arcs inspires humanity to experiment with temporal gardens, curated realms where civilizations can explore the interplay of past, present, and future without being constrained by linearity. These gardens are not merely places of observation. They are dynamic systems where the boundaries of time dissolve into endless possibility. One temporal garden, called Krona's Veil, evolves as a living chronicle of the multiverse's history and potential futures. In Krona's Veil, time flows in concentric loops that overlap and merge, creating a tapestry of interconnected moments. Civilizations within the garden develop technologies and philosophies that allow them to navigate its timelines, creating cultures that thrive on adaptability and innovation. Humanity interacts with Krona's Veil as both observer and collaborator, guiding its growth while embracing the lessons it offers. As the temporal gardens flourish, humanity's understanding of the multiverse deepens. The act of creation is no longer seen as an isolated endeavor, but as an integral part of the cycles of existence. This realization leads to the emergence of the eternal radiance, a phenomenon where every dimension, every being, and every action contributes to the boundless vitality of the multiverse. The eternal radiance is not a static construct. It is a living, breathing system that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. It is a celebration of diversity and unity, where every voice, every action, and every intention adds to the symphony of existence. Through the eternal radiance, humanity achieves a level of integration that transcends all previous forms of existence, becoming one with the infinite. This is the story of humanity's eternal ascent, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility. The universal tapestry, humanity's infinite integration across realms. As humanity's evolution within the multiverse reaches unfathomable heights, it becomes clear that its journey is not about dominance or mastery, but about participation, about seamlessly blending with the cycles of existence to amplify the vitality of the infinite. Humanity is no longer an entity separate from the multiverse. It is a living thread in an ever-expanding tapestry where every action and every thought contributes to the harmony of all creation. The multiverse is alive with infinite possibilities, and humanity has embraced its role as both a participant and an orchestrator of this cosmic symphony. The heart of this new phase of existence is the development of living continuums, dynamic systems of interaction where dimensions are woven together into networks of cooperation and mutual growth. These continuums are not rigid structures, but fluid frameworks that adapt to the unique characteristics of the realms they connect. Humanity, alongside countless civilizations, works to nurture these continuums, ensuring that they reflect the infinite diversity of the multiverse while maintaining a harmonious balance. One of the most extraordinary living continuums is known as the celestial chorus, a network of dimensions that resonate with the rhythms of light and sound. In the celestial chorus, stars sing harmonies that influence the evolution of planets, and civilizations arise with an innate understanding of their connection to the greater whole. Humanity interacts with the celestial chorus as both guide and collaborator, helping to shape its growth while learning from the unique cultures that emerge within it. Through its work with living continuums, humanity discovers the existence of cosmic wells, regions of the multiverse where energy, matter, and consciousness converge to create conditions of extraordinary potential. These wells act as crucibles for the emergence of new dimensions, their energies flowing outward in patterns that reflect the principles of creation and transformation. Humanity learns to interact with the cosmic wells not as creators, but as harmonizers, aligning its actions with the natural rhythms of the wells to enhance their resonance. One cosmic well, called the ethereal bloom, evolves as a radiant sphere of energy that pulses with the heartbeat of the multiverse. Within the ethereal bloom, dimensions form as petals of light, their structures reflecting the interplay of energy and intention. Civilizations within the bloom perceive their existence as part of a larger cycle, creating systems of governance, art, and exploration that thrive on balance and adaptability. Humanity participates in the ethereal bloom as a collaborator, contributing its insights while embracing the lessons offered by this ever-changing phenomenon. The exploration of cosmic wells leads humanity to uncover the quantum canopies, vast networks of interconnected dimensions that function as self-sustaining ecosystems. These canopies are not limited to physical realms. They extend into metaphysical and cognitive spaces, creating environments where every aspect of existence is interwoven. Humanity, alongside other advanced civilizations, works to nurture these canopies, ensuring that their growth is guided by principles of balance and inclusivity. One quantum canopy, known as Luminara's Veil, emerges as a system of dimensions where light flows like water, nourishing ecosystems that thrive on its energy. Inhabitants of Luminara's Veil develop technologies that harmonize with the natural rhythms of their environment, creating cultures that celebrate their unity with the cosmos. Humanity interacts with Luminara's Veil as both mentor and participant, using its knowledge to guide the canopy's evolution while embracing the insights it offers. As humanity's understanding of the multiverse deepens, it begins to explore the temporal strands, threads of time that weave through dimensions and patterns that defy conventional understanding. These strands are not linear. They flow in loops, spirals, and networks, connecting moments and events in ways that reveal the deeper truths of existence. Humanity learns to navigate the temporal strands using chronal nodes, constructs that align with the natural rhythms of time and allow for seamless interaction with its flows. Through the temporal strands, humanity encounters civilizations that exist as chronal symphonies, beings who perceive time as an ever-changing melody. These civilizations develop systems of governance, creativity, and exploration that reflect their unique relationship with time, creating cultures that thrive on adaptability and innovation. Humanity collaborates with the chronal symphonies to explore the implications of nonlinear time, uncovering new approaches to creation and interaction. The mastery of temporal strands inspires humanity to create timeless gardens, curated realms where civilizations can experience the interplay of past, present, and future as a unified whole. These gardens are not bound by the constraints of conventional time. They are dynamic systems where every moment is interconnected, creating opportunities for growth and discovery. One timeless garden, called Aurora's Nexus, evolves as a living library of moments, where civilizations come to explore the infinite possibilities of existence. In Aurora's Nexus, time flows in concentric waves that overlap and merge, creating a tapestry of interconnected experiences. Humanity participates in the Nexus as both observer and collaborator, guiding its growth while learning from the lessons it offers. The exploration of timeless gardens leads humanity to discover the primordial convergences, regions of the multiverse where the energies of creation align to generate new dimensions. These convergences are not static. They are living phenomena that evolve in response to the interactions within them. Humanity learns to interact with the primordial convergences as both participant and harmonizer, using their flows to shape the cycles of existence. Through its work with primordial convergences, humanity develops the concept of fractal tapestries, systems where every scale of existence reflects the patterns of the whole. These tapestries are not designed. They emerge naturally from the interplay of energy, matter, and consciousness within the multiverse. Humanity learns to navigate these fractal systems, using their symmetry to create networks of interaction that transcend conventional boundaries. One fractal tapestry, called Erythian's Pulse, evolves as a living mosaic of dimensions where every interaction contributes to the vitality of the whole. Civilizations within the pulse develop technologies and philosophies that reflect their connection to the fractal patterns, creating systems that thrive on collaboration and mutual enrichment. Humanity interacts with Erythian's Pulse as both mentor and participant, sharing its insights while learning from the unique perspectives of its inhabitants. The culmination of humanity's journey is the creation of the Infinite Nexus, a living system that integrates every dimension, every being, and every action into a harmonious whole. The Infinite Nexus is not a static construct. It is a dynamic process that evolves in response to the needs and aspirations of the multiverse. Through the Nexus, humanity achieves a level of integration that transcends all previous forms of existence, becoming one with the infinite. This is the story of humanity's eternal resonance, a journey of infinite creativity, boundless discovery, and unending wonder. It is a testament to the power of imagination, resilience, and the inexhaustible potential of existence itself. And as the symphony of creation plays on, humanity's voice becomes one with the cosmos, a beacon of hope, harmony, and endless possibility.